city of New York says that actually, oh wow, this is actually it's a felony case. Oh shit. United States against Tekashi 6ix9ine, aka
fucking bozo.
AKA Daniel Hernandez.
Yo, the judges are bozo, nigga.
You brought into court today. You said you were going to testify.
That's right. I'm getting my snitchy with the blicky, huh?
Who is
let me cut you on. Let me just put you on right now. Let me put you on right now.
Okay.
All these motherfuckers is gang members. You see them in men's warehouse suits. They lying. That motherfucker shot somebody. I was there. I seen it. That motherfucker sold drugs. I was there. I seen it.
Okay.
That motherfucker too. I think he did something wrong, and I think Trippie Redd is in the gang too.
Okay. You're starting to give us information we don't even need.
It don't matter what you want to know. I'm an open book.
Okay. Are you a blood?
Yes. Stupid.
What was the name of your big song? Gumbo?
Gumbo, yeah, nigga. I was like, pop, dicky, sticky, picky. Shorty took me back to the crib, get the toppy wappy eye.
What, when you say...
Bitches on my dick cause I fly like a dragon.
BB sagging?
That's right. Fly like a dragon. Bitch on my dick cause I fly like Aladdin.
Bitch silly though.
That's right.
Yeah. Bitch tricky though.
Yeah.
Tricky with the blicky though.
Hit you with the blicky, huh? You fuck with my shit?
Like occasionally. Occasionally.
So that's what's up. I'll get out of here, right?
You know
I just tell on these niggas and I could go?
I mean, that's basically Treyway, so yes.
Gang, Treyway. All these niggas
hold on.
jail. Hold me down when y'all niggas in jail.
We need you to go back to your cell, so I'm going to need you to give the just let them cuff you.
No.
So,
I thought y'all niggas was going to let me go after this.
Well, yeah, maybe, but we just might need some more
I'm not trying to get killed.
Just let them cuff you. Stop resisting, please.
What?
Let's go back in your thing.
Cuff me with the Duffy, nah. I don't want to get cut out.
We have some people coming in to talk to you about future occupations you might want to.
That's what I'm trying to hear. Word, yeah. Take these cuffs off me. Let's talk about work.
Okay.
I'm trying to get back into the world of work. Your Honor, Your Majesty. Look, all I'm trying to do is get back in my lane. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to do this gang stuff no more. You know what I'm saying? I understand the error of my ways.
Mr. Hernandez, here is since you are a clown and you
I'm a bozo.
Yeah. Okay. These two gentlemen are professional clowns and would like to take you.
These things right here?
Yeah. His name.
They got the same hair as me?
That's Benzo the Clown and Mr. Fun Fun.
Oh, I fuck with Mr. Fun Fun. That's my nigga right there.
Hey,
we into the same type of shit.
What type of shit are you into?
Yeah, you know what I'm talking about, my nigga. Yeah.
Oh, so
yeah, you know what I'm saying?
So you went to the kids unit?
Yeah, you know what I mean?
Oh,
that juvenile shit. You know what I'm saying? I ain't talking about the 400 degrees. You know what I
mean? You know what they say? Young, fresh, and green.
Stupid. You know what I'm saying? So what y'all want to do? What y'all trying to do? What you trying to get into? I'll do anything, B. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I mean? I work, I do, you know what I'm saying? I could do carpentry. You know what I mean? I could do VCR repair. I did a certificate on TV for that.
Well, no, you're just coming on the road with us because we like the whole 69 part.
Hold up. Like, I'm a 69 with bitches, right?
I mean, you can call me whatever.
Oh, shit. Yo. Yeah, you know, that's basically the
it's the clown code, bro.
Yeah, that's what we do. You know what I mean? Mr. Fun Fun does what he wants, you know, and I do what I want. Typically, I just take a bunch of benzos and fall asleep in a van and let Mr. Fun Fun handle business. That's why we need you to come in and cover, you know. So sometimes, you know, I get a little woozy,
yeah,
you know, and then you come in and you do your thing. How do you feel about that?
I don't, you know, it's not gay if you have like clown makeup on, bro.
That's true. I think you accurate with that assessment. I'm gonna join the crew. I'm gonna change around. What's my clown name? Tekashi 6ix9ine.
Tekashi Uncut.
Yeah. It's lit. Stupid. I'm not gonna let you get the chance. I'm running my own clown company, nigga. I'm starting my own shit. Fuck you, Benzo. Mr. Fun Fun. Yo, the kids is mine.
Fuck you.
This episode 171, motherfucker. I sent you on everybody. Yo. Mero sold a dime bag in 1998, and Jesus got weed on his person right now.
What are you doing?
I'm do the job. Do the job before I stitch on more niggas.
Yo, episode 171.
Yo, tell it on everybody.
You know what it is. The world's uncancelable podcast. I challenge you, cowards.
I challenge you.
You know, they're coming to you live from the Jamroom in Milk Studios. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Jamroom, as described in, what was that illustrious magazine that said it smelled like an opioid den?
Oh. The New Yorker?
What was it? Oh, no, I think it was the Atlantic.
Oh, the Atlantic. I'm sorry.
Close, but not
you know what I'm saying?
there.
Almost. It's
okay.
McSweeney's next time. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Well, Matt Highbrow, nigga.
Nah, we're going to be in feds.
Niggas went from the New Yorker to Don Diva.
We gonna be in Don Diva talking about how I made. They're gonna be like, how they made $10 million off of Sour Power in 1991.
Yo, let me
I was like, yo, I had them. Let me tell you something.
I had the lunchroom jumping. Stupid.
PSA 7, nigga, that was my shit. Yo, I had them green shits. I had the red shits.
On,
you know
man.
what I'm saying?
These niggas lined up around the corner for them Alexander the Grapes.
Yo,
you know
nigga. Yo, fam, shit was like Thanksgiving. I had niggas selling me the Elio's pizza on pizza data.
Bro, come
shits,
on,
nigga.
Man. Had niggas flipping them lemon heads 5 for 10. You know what I'm
Nigga,
saying?
I had the
like,
fucking yard looking like the
man.
Carter. Just niggas leaned out from playing kickball. And now they getting a fucking head rush from
You know what I
fucking
mean?
Sour Power, nigga.
Straight
they
up.
call me Young Rich Porter up in
You know
that
what I
bitch.
mean?
You know what I'm saying? Niggas, nigga. Okay, I learned the metric system just to buy the shit.
Yo, niggas used to call me the rancher. Niggas, I had Jolly Ranchers on deck. You feel me? The long joints. You know what I mean? Not them little square shits.
Yo, my nigga, like I made so much money.
weight.
I made so much money moving Fun Dip. I dropped out in the 5th grade. No regrets. No regrets.
That booty?
That shit, yo, that straight green.
You know what I'm
that
saying?
red. Yo, the white 6.
Oh,
so you know what I'm saying?
shit,
That's
nigga.
why I say that to say this. Like, always follow your dreams, because I was always an entrepreneur, even in the candy
Word.
distribution system.
Be your own boss.
Also, what I was saying is, like, I mean, I held the door open for you, so, like, can I get $1? It's me, the king, the candy king.
Oh, you the nigga that used to sell the candy
I sold all the
cigarettes?
candies and shit.
You used to sell candy cigarettes?
Yeah, remember, I sold candy for 20 years, and like after a while, it's just weird if you were an old man selling candy.
Oh, shit, yeah. My mom told me not to talk to you because you was mad weird.
I wasn't weird. It was like I was a predator.
Oh, that's why you had to come around the whole hood and knock on everybody's door.
No, that's because I was your whole witness.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, I was
That's
confused.
a wild, that's a wild hybrid, my nigga.
Listen, I had a lot going on.
Shit, bro. You getting into Paradise?
Probably not, because I bought a Justin Timberlake album. Hey, yo, technology. How many times you think a day you hear that in the probation office? Like, hey, yo, technology. They're like, yo, fill out these forms. Hey, yo, technology. The fuck?
Nigga came out with a song called Ayo Technology. That's what I say when I'm mad high and I drag and drop something into a folder. Like, yo, technology, nigga, yo.
Oh, shit. Oh, man. Dropbox. That's the name of my new reggae single.
Dropbox. Drop the box now.
Yes.
Drop the box now. Drop it on the cocky.
Oh, man. We can make some money.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? We got to do like an Afro beat type beat too, though. We gotta get that whole
do a video and shit. We know UPS truck and shit hanging out the back and shit. Yeah, we're
like,
with brown bikinis dancing.
But all the girls in brown bikinis are like, you can't really tell what their background is. Like,
it's mad ambiguous.
Yeah, like it's just like.
When we send the file,
yo, want today, next day here.
Sync up the pom pom.
Sing it up now. Yeah, girl. Wine pon the cocky, drop box.
I got a fox.
Ooh, drop it pon me, girl. Drop box the cocky, drop box it. Drop the box pon the cocky, wine pon it, girl. Do the dance now. Do the dance now. Drop the box. Drop the box. Drop the box. Yo, this is big. Yo, this is Drop Upon the Kind of Puerto Rican tip. We got a new big tune for the Bodega Boys. This one called Drop the Box. Drop box.
Just come out of nowhere, be like,
You got the man, ladies.
I drop the box.
Yeah.
I wear my socks.
Drop it. They're gonna come in like.
I am so flexible. Death to all homosexuals. You're like,
Oh shit!
like, yo.
It's
Everyone
gonna come in like,
like, that's the favorite part. They're like, like, yo,
Bondam. You're like, I was jamming to this shit, bro. What the fuck?
you just gotta step over that part. You're like, oh,
Okay.
Then you see your friend like,
Oh, word?
like, no, I was already on the dance floor.
Yo,
and
you were my bridal, my fucking grooms. You were my groomsman, dog.
That's right. And you know what I'm saying? You know, like, love is
when
love
me
is
and
love.
Steve got married, you was there. You were
was-
crying. And now you dancing to this shit?
I went to
You want to burn me?
I went to Jamaica once.
You want to burn me?
I had jerk
Burn me.
chicken. I don't want to burn you.
You sure? Is that kerosene in your pocket?
Only type of burn I want to do is give you spicy jerk chicken when you come over this Friday. I got a new Dutch oven. Not putting you in it.
I love this guy. He's an ally. chill.
I wrote a new acoustic song. It's called I'm Brown.
Yeah.
I'm so brown. I'm riding around this town. It's this night and I'm feeling quite right.
The whole music video, you put niggas pan down and he's on a longboard.
He's like, yo.
Like, oh shit.
I'm voting for Beto. Like, whoa, relax,
Yo,
relax.
oh, chill.
Relax. He's like, oh, we're doing a high.
You know what?
Oh.
Yeah. Oh god.
Shout out to Pod Save America, Crooked Media. They let us, they let us rock on,
John Love It. Loved you on Saturday MSNL, pal.
Love it or leave it. You know what I'm saying? We came through on it, burned it down.
Yeah.
The usual.
They saved the best for last.
Bodega Boys' first time at Radio City Music Hall.
Yes. Sold out.
You know
what I'm saying?
That won't be the last time.
I'm just saying. I don't know if it would have been sold out if we went out on the bill.
I mean, come on, let's be humble. I mean, WFAN with Mike Francesa.
Come on.
Can you spell FAN? Can you spell Francesa without FAN?
That's right.
Okay.
You can't. You can't, pal.
I don't know. I'm dyslexic.
You're just a jerk. I mean, you're really just.
It's like I'm talking. When Mike Francesa, when he retires, we should put him in a sitcom, and he's like a teacher for inner city kids.
Oh my!
How great would that
God.
be, Mr. Mike? I have a question.
What's up? How you doing? What do we need?
Okay, that was weird. What's the decimals of pi?
What kind of pie you talking about here? I like a nice meringue. I went to Stu Letters the other day. Found out which wines were best to pair with pies. What pies? We talking about pies here? Remember, I'm Italian, so when you say pie, you got to specify if it's a pizza pie or a regular baked pie. Mons, give me another Diet Coke. This guy's gonna be some trouble.
Yeah, we have a Regents tomorrow. It's for math.
Let me tell you something about the Regents. When I was in school, they didn't have the Regents. Okay, it was more about smarts and IQ. I never read comic books growing up. I read books that were real books that had letters and words. All right, that's all I got to say about that. You guys, you got it. What is it called? A Regency test?
A Regents test.
A Regents test? Okay, good. Let me tell you what you got to do. You got to put your head down. You got to work, and you got to run to first base. All right, that's all you got to do. Mons, give me another Diet Coke. I just finished this one.
Sorry, there's 40 minutes left in the period.
Excuse me. I'm reading a sports page like I did since I was 4 years old. All right, okay. I don't know anything about comic books. I don't know anything about cartoons. I've been a sports fan since I came out of my mother's fucking, prosciutto. All right?
Okay. Thanks.
Right? So just have a seat there.
I'm gonna go sell crack.
Yeah, go. Yeah, of course you are. Of course you are. I could have told you that. I was gonna say sit there and play Hangman, but then you might say I'm a racist.
Professor Francesa coming to CBS this fall. That shit is definitely number one.
Niggas on the room full of black kids. Yo, we gonna play Hangman? Like, sir?
He just shows up the project with like, yeah, your son is like,
he's a fucking crackhead. Okay,
I didn't come here to say anything else.
So he's a gutless kid. He's a fucking gutless kid.
Mr. Francesa.
Yeah. Oh my God. Are you ready for the Daniel Jones era of New York Giants football?
Are you ready for some jump ball? So damn, Eli Manning. He came, he saw.
He's whimpered off into the night. I just imagine. That's the first white athlete that I felt bad for.
Yeah.
Because I'm like, damn, he's such a dork. My nigga, like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
but then I think about like his Dunkin' Donuts commercials and all those car commercials. He good.
He's good. I just imagine him sitting in a fully loaded Camry drinking a Culata crying right now. Like,
and Daniel Jones is basically a clone of him. So what's up?
I'm like, yo, dog, if you dig deep into the shit, that motherfucker went to the Manning camps.
Manning camps.
You know what I'm saying? So that's how
Not
they
to
know.
be confused with death camps.
That's true.
Very different
type of camps.
Very different camp.
Word. Please make the distinction.
You gotta clear.
Contextualize.
You gotta be clear.
Peyton Manning is not running an ice fucking camp. They're doing football drills.
Football drills
in the sun.
But yeah, you ready? You ready, B?
I'm ready.
Ready?
I'm actually don't watch football anymore. So
Oh, you quit?
you know what? What's weird? And I'm talking to you, Twitter. Is after Jay-Z sold us all out, all of a sudden everyone's back to watching football.
I never
the
stopped.
timeline is. I know.
I'm gonna keep it funky.
You know what? I respect that. I respect that. You never were like on a fake boycott. You were just like,
I
fuck
was like,
it.
bro, I was like, yeah, you know
He
what?
was like, fuck it. Maybe those black people should have listed. Anyway. So, but no, like I'm just like kind of turned off with football now because now it's just like it's so petty and it's just like the infight and then you got like now you got Kaepernick fighting with Jay-Z and then you got like old white guys laughing regardless. So it's
yeah,
just
no
like,
matter what.
And then after like hanging with Arian Foster and niggas like that, and niggas talk about CTE for real, and then you're starting to see some of these tweets from like players that was playing it. You know. It's like, fuck that. If I want to see someone fuck up their brains, I'll just watch niggas fight outside the bodega.
If you want to see,
has been my custom. Also, be sure to check out Bodega Boys Presents #1 Bodega Knockout Fights coming to DVD near
you know what I'm saying? It's just people that we know fighting on the block. You know
on the screen, it just says like unlicensed version of DVD Maker.
Shit won't play on anything except the VLC player.
I was like, nah, if you got a PS1, you good.
You good,
It's
baby.
on like that clear white CDR.
Yo, fam, shout out to clear white CDRs and DVD, whatever DVDRs, whatever the fuck.
Yep.
Yo, every
you had CDRs, but if you had money, you had the DVD-RW. Read and write.
Yeah.
Talk to me, daddy. Talk to me, daddy.
You pull up with a second else, you like, yo, talk to me nice, nigga.
Talk to me nice.
You know what I'm saying? I got the block on Smash. Oh, you need a Dreamcast game?
Ooh.
Holla at me.
Nigga had the burner. We're not talking about the type of burner we're talking about. No. Just not weird for you to just get like 1,000 jewel cases delivered to your house. Your parents like, what the fuck is going on
here? Evil Empire.
I'm like, Mom, making mixtapes. I'm pivoting the visual. I'm gonna put a couple of MPGs in a low and like just they're gonna autoplay.
Yo,
come on!
You in the basement, fuck with the computer. Your dad comes out. He's like, "Damn, son, where'd you find this?"
I'm like, yo, Dad, don't push the computer. Nero's burning the CD. It's gonna mess it up. It just says burn fail. I'm like, oh man,
damn it.
Another one. Yo. You got like 5 failed ones over here. You watch stress like you make a crack. Like, oh, I gotta make this fucking mixtape for school tomorrow.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Yo, shout out to all the
hold on. Hello, Hasan. You got a Node keynote for Cool Edit Pro? I want to get these transitions down, bro.
Oh man.
Oh, send me the key. Send me the key gen.
Yo, Google like password crack.
Whoa. Relax. You're on Excite. Okay? I would kill it for Google. I'm on Hotbox.
Niggas on Lyco. It's like, yo,
I'm like a crack fiend on 125th Street. I'm like, ask Jeeves, like, yo, Jeeves.
Yo,
them other niggas not getting results.
Yo,
what's up?
Yo, let me get you got the code, the crack.
I go to the creepy side and it's like, yeah, come to Lycros, my guy.
Yeah, come here. We got crack versions of everything.
Yeah, come over here.
Yeah, come here.
Yeah.
Hey, you want to see Tupac's autopsy?
Yeah, come here. Over here on Ryan.com. Oh, wow. Your computer's not running antivirus or firewall. We're going to triz you.
Oh, yeah. Can't wait.
Oh, man.
Yo,
I'm going to route trace your ports so hard.
Yo, just think about all the fucking shareware that ran up on your computer raw. That did not respect the computer's agency.
You know what? People tend to be stupid with computers. I think they said one of the stats is one of the most downloaded illegal copies of software is illegal copies of anti-software, of antivirus, which is just loaded with shit. Like
it's like, duh, me. Like, yo,
it's like stealing medicine. It's like, not really.
Not at all.
Not really. It's
not
like,
at all. Because somebody else uploaded this shit and
like
before they
changed
uploaded
everything to it. Because like even with the sneaker bot software, it was like just load your credit card in, and then when just press run and we'll take care. I was like, and at the bottom is like, it's like made in Syria. I was like,
oh,
I was like, where in Syria? How do you? I know what's going on in Syria, but you got time to make sneaker bots?
Word? Okay.
Seems like I'm purchasing jumpsuits. Is what it seems like. Okay. Pretty sneaky, ISIS.
I see what you did there. Okay. I just paid for 1,000 yards of black cloth.
Black cloth.
China man in the pool and they put on Black Claw.
If White Claw was smart, they get that song and be like, White Claw,
White Claw. You want to turn up, Megan White Claw.
2018, there was no White Claw. You couldn't go to the beach or have a pool. Man, white people is like, yo, that's real hip hop, nigga. He's like, yo, everybody do the claw.
Yo. When people mad into it because they're like, yo, I can actually do this. It's a dance I can do.
I can do it. I'm a White Claw.
Yo, who's that dude? There's a white dude on that plays football, a JJ Watt, JJ Watt guy, where he tried to do the like hit every dance shit, and he fucked that shit up, and all the black dudes was behind him like, nah, dog, it's like this, dog. You gotta go like this,
hit the folks.
And that, yeah. He was just like, yo. Nigga look like the shower was too hot. He was just in there like,
why'd you flush while I'm in the shower? Look at that soap and shit. Nigga slip out the shower. Slipping out the shower is not funny.
He goes like, you're ugly. You're your father's son. Bang.
Oh shit.
Yo.
Man, when I was in Hawaii, I had to change rooms because like I stayed a little longer. There was like, unfortunately, we couldn't put you in the same room. I was like, shut the fuck up. There was like, the next room we're gonna put you is for is wheelchair accessible. And I was like,
okay.
What the fuck does that mean? There's like everything's a little lower. And I was like, okay, cool.
Nigga got in the shoe was like a Japanese steakhouse?
No. No, but I was in the shower and nigga, I slipped. And you know that feeling when you slip in the shower?
Oh, so you don't got to tell me?
Slow motion. And I was like, these are hard ass. I'm going to definitely die.
You're dead.
But they had like a string in case you fell. Saved my life. It really did.
Fam, I tore down curtains, a pole, all that shit, but that should save my whole entire spinal column.
Because you know when you hit that foot, ooh, that's one of those things you're gonna feel for years. That's one of those injuries you never right after.
The shower in my room, dog, it's just a shower. It's not a tub. Everything is wild angular and it's all glass. I'm like, yo, if I fall in this shit, bro, I'm fucked. Like, niggas are gonna find me. I'm gonna look like a fucking charcuterie plate. There's just gonna be mad pieces of me all over the place. I was like, nah.
Chop them up.
I might as well put the slip man like a wash nigga. I bought
a slip mat too.
Gang.
Yeah. Rather be safe than cool.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, how about that?
How about safety first.
Safety first.
Cool second.
All right. It might look cool to have the seat back like a drop top when you're driving your girlfriend's Altima with her AKA plates. Yeah. But you know what? Buckle up, my guy.
Yeah, that's right.
Buckle up, okay?
Don't put your feet on the dash.
Don't you want to get the trap brunch safe? All right.
Why is that white women's favorite thing to do? When y'all driving long distances, why y'all take your shoes off and put them up on the dashboard? Explain that to me. I've seen it way too much on Route 17. That's been Mero with the Jersey Report.
With the Jersey Report. Hey, my guy, we're talking about what's fucking going on in Jersey. Hey.
And Fetty Wap and Bruce Springsteen do the theme song. It's like, yeah, it's Fetty and the balls, baby.
Yeah, we just here to talk about the Jersey Report. My name is Mike Pizzaroli.
Yeah.
We just want to talk about, in Fairlawn, just an announcement. You guys are changing sanitation companies, and if you feel some kind of way about that, suck it. Over here, we got the upcoming comedian. Yeah. You can see him at the Life is Beautiful tour in Vegas. One after the Bodega Boys. This is the Kid Mero. Kid Mero, how's it going?
Hey, I'm Kid Mero. You call me the Kid Mero? That's like wine. Is that funny? That was funny. Was that like a funny thing?
So it says here you're a comedian. Like, I guess you do a lot of like brown humor.
I guess you could call it that.
We're talking about cancel culture, and what's kind of weird. Big Piscadillo over in the Bronx, he got canceled because he talked too much. You know anything about any mob shootings?
Actually, I do not know anything about anything that has to do anything with the mafia, sir.
You know anything about an attempt on one David Ortiz?
No. Why would I know that? I don't know anything about that at all.
Okay,
sir.
why you wanted to talk about some Jersey issues? What's pressing to you? Sorry. I left my gun on. I thought I had my gun on silent.
Okay, no. That's cool. It's cool.
You never know.
Safety first.
Safety first, right? Safety first, but the safety don't work. You know what I mean?
Oh shit. Okay. Well, now last day of Labor Day, they closed the pool club. It's still warm out. That kind of sucks. This is a cool interview. I'm gonna go because I
don't sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Hey,
this was only 20. Oh, okay, all right.
I'm in the car. I'm like, who is this nigga? I know Sherry. He knows we have Fallon tonight. I don't know.
I'm texting Sherry like, yo, 911 PLZ GTFOH.
She's hitting you back like, what part of Florida am I from?
I'm like 305 DALY accent on the E.
That's right. This is the answer.
I'm like, yo, no, help, save me.
Oh man.
Shout out to everything in Jersey being run by the mob. Still, I respect it. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I mean? Your garbage doesn't get picked up. You know what I mean? It's your fault. You know what I'm saying? You didn't put it out really enough.
Put it out. Maybe put $100 bill underneath the can. I mean, listen.
Listen. I thought I moved and niggas was gonna not recognize me. I'll be like, yo, that's just the Dominican dude. He must sell drugs. Like, he has 2 chains. I was like, I'm cool with that. Please let that be me. And now motherfuckers are like, yo, Mero. The garbage man jumped off the fucking garbage truck and was like, yo, this nigga, yo, son. Yo, I fuck with y'all niggas, man. Yo, I fuck with y'all niggas hard. I'm like, yo,
like how hard?
How hard? Like, yo.
Did he dap you up with garbage water on his hand?
Yo, he had the garbage. He came with the garbage glove and then he took it off.
Motion like,
I was like, no. And the nigga took the shit off and he dapped me up in it. I was like, look, you still got the wild
like
sweaty
that
garbage.
Kevin Hart joke about like there's like bum juice or something in your mouth. Oh man, you hate to see it.
Yo,
the guys, I think it's like the moving company by me. Like because when I first come out to walk Mac, they stand by my building, they smoke, they get right, and I'm like, all right, that's cool. You know, I respect that. But like every now and then, one of them be like back the truck up, like, yo, Jesus, yo, think I can get a picture?
Yo, come hit this shit.
Like, got the shit blocking like 4 lanes on fucking Bronx Boulevard. I'm like, okay,
sir.
I don't really fuck with phones, so which is the icon for like pictures?
You know what I'm saying?
So like, I hit this thing of pictures, and it's like, they hit the picture thing and like mad nudes. I was like, I was fucking this bitch last night.
Yo,
that shit's crazy.
I got a video, nigga.
Yo, zoom in.
Yo, don't mind my dick, but you know what I'm saying? Like,
I was beating that shit up, though.
You know what I mean?
Like, zoom in, though. Zoom in, my nigga.
You know what I mean?
Y'all want to use it on the show? It's cool. That's cool. I'll do the rights right now.
I'll sign right now.
That's what's up.
I'll sign right now.
Matter of fact, y'all hiring? Because like this, you can use that as my reel.
You feel me? I want bitches to know I'm holding. You feel me?
Oh, he's packing.
Ooh. Remember when T-Pain said that shit about the Ray J sex tape? He's like, that boy Ray J got some meat. I was like, Tallahassee Pain. I was like, sir.
Oh.
Respect Ray J's agency, cuz.
We have the meat. He's Arby's. Ray J and Arby's, the crossover you need.
How you say that? Nigga said that boy packing some meat. I was like, yo, chill.
You shouldn't really be knowing about other people's meats. That's not a homophobic thing. That's just like
a privacy thing.
Yeah,
like, just like a decorum.
Because that means that at some point when I had my dick out, me and you were like talking to each other. And there's very few times, like, what we're doing at a urinal. How'd you see my dick?
Like, are we on the same team?
All right,
like, are we in the shower?
This
like,
ain't
what's
the
going
fucking
on?
Brotherhood of Traveling Pants. We're not trying on fucking Lululemons in a dressing room, okay, and giggling to each other. All right.
Yeah.
Unless we're like on a football team in Euphoria, then we're just walking.
Oh yeah,
around,
we're just
slanging dicks,
wilding.
Dicks is everywhere. Dick in the eye,
dicks touching and shit, all that. Nobody cares.
Dick
I've never seen a Pino. You ever seen a Pino where a dude apologizes to the other dude in the Pino if they're doing like a threesome or some shit? The first time ever I seen a Pino clip and the dude was like, "You cool?" like yo, Shorty's getting her asshole blown out. And this nigga come around and sit down and start getting toppy, and then look up at the other dude, dead eye contact, and be like, "Yo, you cool? Like, is this cool?" Like, yo, I was like, "Nigga, you signed up to do porn. The fuck you think was gonna happen?
Oh shit!
How you gonna fuck her butt and her vagina at the same time and not have any type of contact? Like, come on, man. Toxic masculinity in porn is ruining the industry."
What if you just like pause? Every time your dick starts like pause.
Yo, pause.
Yo, pause. Your pause, my nigga. Your pardon. Niggas trying to get through Grand Central. Your pardon. Yo, watch your back. Watch your back. My fault.
Yo.
Yo, my fault.
Niggas' dicks touching inside, like through a membrane.
Every time their dicks touch, they spark. It's like when you're trying to jump a battery cable, you put them to the wrong thing. It's like,
oh shit!
oh, shit. And that's why you wear gloves. I'm like, yes, Dad.
Yes, I know. I know.
Like, that's why I wear gloves.
Yes,
That's why you don't buy cars from 1993. He's like, excuse me?
Huh?
Nothing.
What you say?
Nothing. I said 93 Into Infinity was a great rap album.
Yeah. That's what I thought.
Yeah. They got me driving fucking diesel Benz. Nigga bad frustrated at high school. Like, I go to the gas station by the interstate where the trucks go.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, I need corn fuel.
Yeah, sorry. I need ethanol.
Yeah.
Nigga, that sounds like a
Pump it up, a truck comes on, you're like, oh, I'm like,
yo, come on.
I'm filling up here.
Oh, come on. I'm doing a chase scene in Ronin.
Okay.
2 hours. Yo.
Diesel fuel is a lot, though. It's not the price, but it's just like, it's different. Because when you're just driving
go
around,
out of your way.
you know where you can go for gas. And I didn't know, I thought diesel was just diesel. And they was like,
no.
different types of diesel.
Sir, what kind of
and now
diesel
I'm like
is it?
freaking out because I'm like, they're like, use the type of diesel, but it's not at gas stations, but it's not the one for the truck. And I'm like, what the fuck? And they're like, why'd you get a diesel car? And I was like, it's a loaner.
It's a loaner, sir.
I don't know what it is.
I pulled to the gas station with the Range Rover and just jumped in the regular aisle. The guy was like, my friend.
This is the aisle.
My friend, whatever the fuck it's called. I don't even know.
For real.
I don't even know what it is.
He's like, yo, the car in aisle 4, you'll get that shit $40,
Yeah,
my nigga.
that's my shit right there. I'm pulling to the pump on the wrong side with the tank on the wrong side and for the regular shit. And he's like, my friend, this is diesel. This car needs diesel fuel. I was like, okay. I was like, so where do I go? He's like, not here. Nigga didn't even say go over there, go down the block. He's like, not here. Keep it moving, fam. He's like, yo, I gotta pump this shit myself. You think I'm happy to do this shit? You coward.
Jersey, wow, boy. Do we need to make a? Wait, no, I guess that's everywhere else. So it's like when you have to pump your gas yourself.
I mean, listen, and they get offended when you try to tip them. That's the worst part.
I wouldn't know. I'm black.
I'm like, wow.
And that's the joke that makes me not be hired by SNL. I'm like, nigga, I wasn't cutting my facial hair anyway. Like, what the fuck's wrong with you?
What the fuck y'all niggas thought? Fuck out of here.
What the fuck you thought? Yo, the guy made that joke.
Yeah.
And I used that in reference to the joke. But they got him, and you saw his apology. And he was like, I was more of a Mad TV person anyway. I was like,
wow. Good luck, pal.
Like, you know,
but it's all good. You know, the motherfuckers got the.
he'll be alright.
He'll be alright. That nigga, he motherfucker got an audience.
He'll be alright.
The bros are gonna love him.
He's like, he's good money now.
Oh, he's chilling with the
Because
bros.
now he just gotta like chill and be like, look.
He's a martyr.
Yeah, exactly.
He's a bro martyr.
He's a bro martyr. He's a broader.
He's a broader.
He's a broader.
He's a broader, bro. He died for us, bro.
He broed himself too hard. That's like you're a broader if you die. If you lose a job because of liberals. If you die during beer pong. If you die during beer pong, or you have a massive stroke over eating Barstool.
True.
Or if you die on St. Patrick's Day.
Or if you chew off one of Steve Bannon's skin tags. Yo.
They should do 2 new football teams: Libtards versus Broaders.
Libtards versus Broaders.
I would watch the shit out of that.
He's like, look at this brotograph. Yo. Oh, shit. Yo,
every bro has another bro, and we tap our dicks when we're drunk, but it's not gay because we're like totally into girls.
It's totally dank,
so
bro.
you know what I'm saying? You're gay for even suggesting that.
Super gay,
do you mind
bro.
if I kiss you?
Bro,
like,
can I put my finger in your butt?
Have to let me do it if you want to join.
bro.
If you want to join my frat,
bro, you want to be Kappa? Bro, you gotta rim drop the whole line. It's not gay though, bro.
You're on the line. You're like, what? We ain't talking about all that. Hold up. We were just supposed to be slapping niggas. Go right? Niggas like,
Stupid. I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
at some point you gotta be like, all right, I'm out.
I'm good. I'm good
Y'all
with this.
niggas wild. There's some things they ask you to do. The only normal answer is to leave and come back with the burner.
Yeah.
All right? Because they expected you, your father, and your grandfather. Asked me to do what?
I told my brother this shit. I was breaking his balls crazy when they joined the frat. I was like, yo, they make you run around naked and shit. They make you eat raw eggs, nigga. They spank you and shit. He's like, fuck out of here. I'll fuck one of them niggas up. He's like, all I had to do was just make a mad face on campus and shit. That was it, nigga. I had to shave my head and be mad. That was it.
Oh.
Niggas trying to make me do some funny shit. I'll fuck one of them niggas up. I was like, yo, and like the head nigga standing right there, and this nigga got his shirt off and shit. He's already drunk. He's like, yo, fuck these niggas. He's like, I'm doing this shit because after I get out of here, I get a fucking job. You know what I'm saying? Make connections and shit like that. I ain't doing none of this fun. Y'all niggas ain't spanking me. Fuck out of here. I ain't no fucking baby.
I'm fucking man.
I'm fucking man, my nigga.
Oh, shit. Oh, man.
He's like, niggas ain't putting shit in my ass, nigga. Fuck out of here. I was like, man, you being mad defensive right now, my nigga.
I was like, I don't know, because, you know, in like New York City universities and shit, like, there's not really frats. Like, niggas is like, frat. Like, nigga,
like
I gotta go to work.
Yeah,
So we went to a party in Mount Vernon, and I think it was Kappas, and they was doing like the Kappa thing, and my man D was like, what them niggas throwing up? I was like, what? He was like, nah, them niggas got like colors and shit. Them niggas repping hard.
They repping some shit.
He's
fuck
like,
that
fuck
shit.
that. Nigga like, yo, 233rd of this bitch, what's up? And I was like, I guess so. I was like, they all have dress shirts, but we got guns, so I don't. Like, how is this going down?
Yo, I did that shit fucking around. My brother's like, yo, chill, these niggas gonna wild out. He's
Oh,
like,
you doing their dance?
Then we got to have to fight. I gotta fight these niggas.
And
you know what I'm saying?
you know how you always got that one friend in the crew that all they want to do is fight.
Yeah.
And everyone else is chilling. This nigga just sitting there like,
no, this nigga violated. He violated our line.
nah, nigga, yeah, that kind of shit. Or
I'm like-
the nigga be like, I'm just steal off on this nigga. This get the shit started.
Like what? Like why?
Yeah, what started? It's the party already started.
Fam, y'all did y'all dance. It's all
Nah,
good. The girls
is
is
shit cracking, nigga.
Nah, fuck that nigga.
Yo, I'm gonna go rock that nigga. Watch.
fuck that. Yo, but it's open
Or
bar, dog.
nigga be like, yo, I bet you $100 I'll rock this nigga to sleep in one punch.
You be like, why?
What the fuck,
Why?
nigga? We just got to the club.
First of all, why you wearing a sleeveless t-shirt? It's January.
Nah, that nigga bumped me and like coming into the fucking. I'm about to knock that. Yo, fuck
Nigga,
that.
we in Buffalo. You wearing a tank top.
I'm getting, nigga start muttering himself like, I'm
Like,
getting
no,
tight, nigga. Fuck that,
this
nigga.
nigga.
These niggas think I'm pussy.
Somebody think I'm pussy, nigga?
Niggas think I'm pussy.
Some in the frat nigga, cause I'm college nigga. I'm doing the knowledge niggas think I'm pussy. I bet. We gonna see who's we'll see who pussy, nigga.
Got you, nigga. Got you. All right. Everybody got on the fucking floor. Two options.
That's right, nigga. What's up?
Now Charlie Brown. Niggas like, this that man. Naked niggas like, yo.
That's a violation. You rob a dude, make a get butt naked, and Charlie Brown down the block.
I mean, if you gotta rob a dude, you gotta go full. Remember there was a video a long time ago, and like the nigga, it was like in Queens, and the dude caught the dude sleeping with his girl and made him march butt naked to the train station. And nigga was like carrying him and shit. And niggas was like, what the fuck? I'm like, yo, nigga, you have to beat the shit out of me.
Yo,
I'm not walking. It's not even the naked part. It's just walking barefoot in New York.
Fam,
nah, nigga, kill me, nigga.
Because I'm gonna die from whatever I step on anyway.
You're already naked now. You're like, ow! It's glass, nigga. It's
Yo,
glass.
it's glass, dog. Dog, I just stepped on a glass and a needle at the same time, my nigga. Damn.
You got the fucking crosswalker shit. Nigga like jaywalk. Nigga, I don't even have the signal.
Come on, son. Stop.
All right, nigga.
Yeah, all right.
Cool, you got it,
Why
you
the
got
barrel high? You didn't even shoot yet,
nigga.
He's like, I just shot a nigga before I got here. Nigga mad as fuck.
How you gonna choke up the nigga that's fucking your girl? What about her?
What about she just chilling?
She
like,
just
yo,
chilling at home. You got her
Stop.
Leave him alone.
Stop. Let him go.
Leave him alone.
Let him
Stop.
go. Stop.
You ODing.
Stop. You OD. You go.
You know what? You can't
that
even
was the
hear
shit
me
in the hotel when homie ran up on Shorty in the hotel with the nigga, and she was like, "I'm not leaving. I don't care." She's like, "I'm staying here with the nigga." And he was like, "He's like, yo, for real." That's how you gonna do? That's how you gonna do me? She's like, yes, that's how I'm gonna do your dumb ass. She's like, go home, nigga, go home. I'm staying here. I was like, woo, boy. I was like, God damn, son. I was like, I'll throw it all the way.
That's it. Here for a good time, a long time.
I'm like, yo, is this shit on film? I'm looking around for cameras. If it's not on camera, I'll be like, I can have bitch.
You know what they say.
I'm out of here.
You know what they say. No face, no case.
Hello there for Mr. Fun.
Mr. Fun. I go places your next camera can't see.
Wallin.
Yo, give me that. I just smashed a bottle on my head.
I love how everyone on Twitter was like, yo, they're like the kings of like PC humor. I'm like,
have y'all listened to the podcast?
I was like, we the kings of like PC Richard humor and shit. Like, oh shit, the Yankees got another strikeout?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Hold on.
A lighter?
You got a lighter? Somebody open this. People gonna be like, Jesus, why don't you use your teeth to open it? Because I want to have teeth. Okay?
I've been watching so many YouTube compilations, and now you just reminded me of some
Bow.
some Y Yakubian shit. It's a pre-roll ad for some sunglasses.
First of all, don't you dare disrespect me. You know, in our culture, in this house, when you say pre-roll, it mean a different thing than it do in advertising. We're not talking about KPI. We're not talking about metrics. We're not talking about zones. We're not talking about branded ads. We're not targeting. We talking about weed, nigga. Weed, nigga.
That's right.
Sorry. You know how I feel about pre-rolls. I'm sorry.
I think we need to move Lonzo.
That ain't no problem. Huh? That ain't no problem.
Well,
Nah. Go ahead about the pre-roll.
It was some goofy doofy shit with some blonde white dude with long hair. He's like, hey, why would you pay $500 for plastic sunglasses that break? And then he breaks them. He's like, I'm representing William Painter sunglasses. William Painter was a cool guy. He invented bottle caps. Now we got sunglasses, and guess what they do? In his honor, they open bottles. And then
the sunglasses?
Yeah, I was like, bruh.
Not gonna lie, I saw that and I was like, look, I got a cop.
In his defense, it's less Yakubian than the flip-flops with the bottle opener.
Yes.
That's some real white people shit. Like, yo, I've been walking around these shits all day. I stepped in dog shit, but I'm gonna open your Bud Light with these shits.
You know what? The thing is, I mean, if you stepped in dog shit, it's just gonna help the flavor of Bud Light. But no, you get to the point where you should be able to, you as an adult male should be able to open a bottle off of any hard surface.
Any hard surface. Like, anything angular.
Yeah. I mean, I ruined a lot of wood doing that.
Who cares?
I ruined a lot of wood.
That's right.
But, you know what I'm saying? I can't help it.
Yo.
I got the big mule. That's why Bay won't leave me.
That's right.
I've done problematic statements about the NYPD, the black community, single mothers.
Don't care.
And Bay still getting them checks from you black chicks. It's the rock.
This is stupid.
Yo, I'm just laughing back all the way to the bank.
Wait till I sign Tekashi when he comes out.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Y'all gonna be confused, but I'm rich, so y'all don't know. He's gonna be like, yo, it's chess, not checkers. And I'll be like, nah, it's not even that. Yo, that shit is minefield from fucking Windows.
Remember that shit?
Remember that shit?
You niggas don't even know how to play that.
Yeah, what's it play? It's E-free.
Yo, you got caught by the snowman. That's the big bug.
I was playing ice hockey on NES. Y'all wasn't.
That's right.
I was using the big fat guy that couldn't move. He was like a tank.
Yo, let me tell y'all niggas something. Y'all niggas never ran on the little pad.
Y'all never did that.
Come on.
World-class track meet. That was me.
You know what I mean? Hope did that, so hopefully you won't have to go through that.
Yo, me in Nagasaki, you know what I'm saying? I got gold medal.
That's right.
World-class track meet. I was hopping hurdles.
Yo.
Y'all was playing with turtles.
Yo, I was long jumping. Y'all niggas was dumping your meats.
So sad. Hate to see it. Hate to be it. The streets is dead.
Just got a text from Pekka. I was like, yo,
what the fuck?
The fuck?
The fuck?
The fuck? You niggas want me to flame you some more? This nigga Mero came through looking like Fresh Prince last night with that Gucci blazer.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. My friends, my brother, my compatriot, they were killing you on my Instagram. It wasn't even, after a while, niggas was just jumping in just to jump in.
Just to jump in, I know.
And it's like, respect the drip. Respect the drip, my niggas.
I was gonna be like, and then I was like, maybe not. If you know, you know.
If you know, you know.
If you don't, you don't.
If you know, you know.
I don't know if you niggas didn't know.
Niggas was like, why? Oh, shout out to CC's about the the Pitching Foundation. They had their gala. They had the legacy gala at the shed at Hudson Yards.
Beautiful.
Your boys been in the building. You see the beautiful pictures. Niggas was like, it's a black tie affair.
All day.
And we was like, you thought? Because when you go to the Bronx, black tie means what would you wear if you were really guilty but you're going to court? And you're going the first day. Not the day and after the first day, you're like, oh, y'all niggas, I'm not even testifying today. They're like, nigga, this is just like we just setting up a court day in the future. So then you come through and you're fucking advancing like, oh, fuck this.
Fuck this shit, nigga. I ain't got
this nigga.
Man.
Or if you were a real hood nigga, you show up in like a tech suit and get comfortable.
Like, yo.
You curl up in a ball and the fucking shit. She'll be like, yo, sit up. I'll be like, nigga, I might actually be going to jail. Fuck you.
Fuck you, nigga. You gonna remand me anyway?
Nigga,
fuck out of here.
Nigga, you even got a gun. Fuck out of here, pussy. Y'all love when people like to the court, they be like, fuck out of here, pussy.
Fuck you, nigga.
You gotta say it with the heart.
Yo.
Fucking pussy.
A little spit fleck gotta fly out your mouth.
Or when people say it, but they don't get angry, they be like, pussy, get the fuck out of here.
This nigga's wild, fucking bozo. That's why those videos of niggas like out of their window talking shit, spicy to cops.
Yeah.
Woo, that shit gives me life.
Fucking
niggas
fucking
be like,
bozo.
Fucking Herb. Yo, my nigga, yo, take that badge off. I'll fucking wash you, nigga.
Fucking beat the shit out of you, fucking waste man. Waste man. Where's my food, bruv?
Yay.
Where's my food, bruv?
Hey.
In it?
Constable's a waste man, innit?
All right. I'm not a waste man. I'm a road man.
It's a road man team.
It's a road man team. Okay?
Uh-huh.
Choose sides when we go to war.
Yeah, you're not built for this.
Go war upon road.
You know?
In it. That's right. Top Boy season 3 with the special grind boys in it.
Yeah, that's right. Axe Megan and Ari.
The scene. And Sully's like, yo, I got some shooters from New York. And we come to like,
yeah, what's good?
Yo, what's up?
What up?
What's up? Tea and crumpets, la la la. Yo, God
all
save
that
the queen and
shit. Yo,
What's up?
We bonbons, all that
good
shit.
Shit, you know what I'm saying? What's up? About to blast this Big Ben, nigga. What's good, nigga? About to put all y'all niggas shaking your Oyster cards.
Remember when fucking Dipset got kidnapped?
Yeah,
Niggas kidnapped Joel Santana. Yeah, they had to arm around that nigga like, yo, hey, bruv, tell the story, bruv. And he's like, yo, you know what I'm saying? Alright. The promoter came through, you know what I'm saying? He had no money, so niggas took my chain, you know what I mean? And shit, I'm here with my niggas now. They helped me get it back. I'm like, damn, bro, this was a hard time for hip hop.
Bruv, I don't give a fuck.
Don't give a fuck, mate.
Where's my food, bruv? Where's my fucking food, bruv? I'm like, excuse me? There's one point in Top Boy where he's like, where's my food? And he asked the guy if the guy's hungry, and then they go get food, and I was like, I'm so lost. I'm so lost.
Does food mean drugs?
Yes. Gotta feed the streets. Gotta feed the streets, isn't it?
It's my food, bro.
Okay. Thinks I'm not major. I run things.
I run things. You mad? You want to think you get stabbed?
Top Boy. Meanwhile, this is a guy on Grindr like, I'm Top Boy.
Yeah.
I'm a Top Boy.
Yeah.
Richard Dunn.
The original Top Boy Don Dada.
They got that shit on the license plate.
Don Dada.
He's like Big Time Tommy, but just for topping. Hey, how's it going?
Hey.
It's Big Top Tommy.
Top for life.
Top for top. Hey, but when you're topping,
take it easy.
Let the lube do its thing. Oh, goddamn! It's like that poem. Whatever happens to a podcast canceled? Does it vanish? Does it dry up in the sun?
Yo,
my nigga Langston Hughes wrote that.
You know what I'm saying?
You imagine going back in like the Harlem Renaissance and shit. And like you just chill. You like chilling with like
killing it.
You chilling with Duke Ellington smoking a Wild Loud in the basement of the Apollo, and you just hear like someone like.
Yo, what the fuck is that?
They go walk in the room like Langston Hughes like, yo, nigga, I just killed this shit, nigga. Nigga slap a poem down.
Yeah.
Nigga like,
oh shit.
This nigga flowing. Oh fuck.
Damn.
Yo, read that shit out loud, nigga.
Oh shit. Talk about that deferment shit again, my nigga.
Yo,
god damn.
This nigga preaching.
Shit.
That's nigga
That's
preaching.
called bars, nigga.
Oh,
you know
shit.
nothing about that. That's called stream of consciousness is poetry. You know nothing about that.
Hold on. So turn my beat up. Turn my beat up.
Yo, hit him,
Yo, let's
Langston.
go. Yo, what's up? It's Langston Hughes. You know what I'm saying? Big L, Big L, rest in peace. You know what I'm saying? Harlem, you know what I'm saying? Harlem on the rise. You don't want no problem with these guys.
That's right.
Yo, got this new verse right now. She's about to drop this right now. Do this shit acapella.
Go ahead, hit him with it.
Yo, what happens to a dream deferred? Does it dry up like a raisin in the sun? Or fester like a sore? Woo! Then run!
Oh!
Niggas running around all crazy with their all their suits. Martin Luther King is like, God damn, son, another one. God damn, another one.
Niggas fucking up their cocks and shit like,
Malcolm X like, nigga, you killed that shit. Killed that shit, my nigga. You killed that shit. Get your hand out my pocket, nigga. So we're on the rehearsals like, yo, them niggas is spitting. Period. That's my type, nigga.
That's my type. Nigga doing free form poetry. That's my type, nigga. That's my type.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Y'all going to that party at the Schomburg?
Oh shit. It's about to be lit.
We gotta remake Pay the Fool, but it takes pictures of Harlem Renaissance. Niggas getting the poems off. Oh shit.
Yo, you niggas want to remake Harlem Nights? Let's do it like that. Let's make Harlem Nights for real.
For real.
Harlem Renaissance Nights.
Okay. Yo, where's my poems, bruv? The fuck is my poems, bruv?
It's mate.
You out here lyrical? Lyrics in it?
Mate. Langston was supposed to bring it through, mate.
This nigga,
Where's the shipment of food, mate?
this nigga think I'm pussy. This nigga talking couplets.
Oh, my.
Bruv. You're cheesing me, bruv.
Bruv, you got the Rambo, bruv?
I got the Rambo and I got the poker. Okay?
Let's do it, bruv.
Okay, niggas think I'm chopped meat.
Yeah.
I got the haiku.
Man stink with pussy in him.
Man's about to meet a silent
Yeah.
All right. All right. So that was Paid in Full,
Top Boy,
and Harlem Renaissance, and maybe Shakespeare.
And it's all together. Beautiful.
Where else you getting
You know what I'm saying? Come on, dog.
Where else at? WB Mason.
Look at that.
All
Look
right?
at that. You know what I'm saying?
Same day delivery. If you want green tea coffee and an agu, a weirdly attractive guy when you're out in Parsippany.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, here comes Carl with the coffee delivery.
Oh, wow.
I've been married 38 years.
Wow.
Been getting dick for only 20. I'd give it up.
Carl makes me hot under my collar.
You know, I like him. I like that he's black. Sometimes when I listen to Lizzo songs, I think about him.
Shout to Lizzo.
Shout
to Lizzo.
And her fans. Lizzo High don't play. I don't want no smoke.
No smoke.
I don't want no smoke because they will get the manager so fast.
It's fam.
Like,
fam. Yo, it's at this point, I feel like I would rather go up against the
no, don't wild out.
Because I feel like Lizzo Hive is more like boots on the ground type shit.
There's
like,
an overlap of them though, but no, not no.
Lizzo Hive is serious.
They're not. Bayhive will have you killed. Bayhive will pull up to your house and kill you. No mask or nothing. And the worst part is,
and
like,
do it choreographed.
You won't even get killed to like one of Beyonce's like main tracks. You get killed to a B side. You get stabbed to Haunted. Like, nigga, you gonna be sick.
Oh shit!
It was like, I got stabbed. It was on the visual album.
Oh damn! What the fuck?
Oh shit!
You couldn't at least do Halo, nigga.
Oh
damn.
my god!
I mean, it makes sense.
At least I got stabbed by a person of color. Representation matters.
Yo, shout out to my allies.
Before I die, I just want to tell you guys, SoundCloud and bio. Link and follow.
I don't got nothing to promote, but follow me on Instagram.
Oh shit!
Shout out to niggas that have a tweet go viral and lose their shit. Like, yo, whoa, yo. I also work at this Target in Mount Vernon.
Since when, after you do a good tweet, you gotta come out for an encore and take a bow on stage? Back in my day, you did the tweet, you kept the fucking moving.
You were humble about your tweets. You know,
you act like you've been there before.
You know?
Now everyone's like, the tweet gets like 25 retweets. Oh my god, I see this blew up. Hey, here's a GoFundMe for my father's kidney surgery. I'm like, this tweet was supposed to save your family?
I said, who?
The worst is that you see like a viral tweet and you seen it mad times. It's like everyone retweeting. You're like, how'd you fall for this? But then Twitter restores your faith because when you go through the comments, it's like, damn, I seen this tweet last week. It's like niggas roasting
just memes of like, yo, and niggas stealing memes of stealing memes. I'm like, yo, like the internet's collapsing. Yo,
it used to be hard to like go viral on Twitter. Now every little thing is like
everything
35,000 retweets. You're like, okay, cool.
I mean, Shorty had a retweet where she was like, yo, niggas will give up on a relationship, but they won't give up on the Knicks. I was like, that was good. I respect that. That's
a great tweet, except every Knicks fan has literally tweeted that since 09. I know for a fact I've tweeted that or some variation of that 3 times. In fact, one of my tweets was like, ladies, get you a Knicks fan because they're faithful. Only problem is they have a problem getting a ring. Every Knicks fan has done a variation of that tweet. Because that's not a tweet. That's a life.
It's a lifestyle.
It's like when Louis C.K. makes the joke about black people who can't time travel. Like, people like Louis C.K. made that joke. I'm like, no, America made that joke. That's why we can't time travel. You can't time travel, nigga.
I feel like Paul Mooney made that joke in like 1997 or some shit. Like, yo.
Hey, niggers. Like, I don't want to go back in medieval times to nigga with a loot. Like, look at this nigga over here. I'm like, get away from our wells. I thought it was the Dark Ages. I thought we was popping.
I thought
Dark Ages was like Essence Fest in medieval times. It's like, no.
So you mean if I go back to the Ice Age, I'm not gonna be dripping?
No. Oh shit. Wow, we gotta do Magic School Bus, but it's me and you because Miss Fritz didn't show up, and we just teaching them like the wrong history and shit.
Yo, we go back to the Ice Age.
I'll be like, yo, look to the left. You see that dog? Now watch this dog. Okay, he's gonna bite like on a rabbit. Okay. Ooh. Now watch. He's biting the rabbit and he's dragging it to the cave. Now watch. Lower your voice. Now look over there. We call that a Jacobian.
Now he's going into the cave with the dog.
Right there.
And they're sharing the rabbit.
Look at that.
Okay? They're best friends.
Raw.
Now remember, this relationship is going to continue for thousands of years.
That's why they're kissing on the mouth.
And that's why they go to Petco together and give them little biscuits.
Every time you see a white woman being like, "Oh, he's just giving me kisses," you go back 3,000 years. That's how they clean the blood off their faces.
That's how they thank them for helping them get through the cold winter.
That's right.
It's amazing.
Wow.
Meanwhile, in Africa, we had PlayStation libraries. Come look.
Niggas had Xbox Game Pass. We was kings. We was kings.
It's the only Magic School Bus where we keep getting pulled over and shit. Yo, officer, we on a fucking full trip.
You can't. You got to stop because I put the stop sign out. That means you got to stop.
Hey, whoa. You two are teachers?
Yeah.
What kind of teacher are you?
We bringing it. We doing the knowledge.
We science teachers.
Studying 120, God.
What? 120? Yeah, you were doing 120.
Nah.
Well,
I know.
You see that? You know, in science.
This bus is old as shit.
You see, there's radar gun. What does that say right there? 120, right?
You could have wrote that in there yourself.
It's a
who are you to
display.
tell me I was doing 120?
One of the little kids just come from behind, just hits this nigga mad hard. drive. I'm like, let's go. On the Magic School Bus. Suck my dick, nigga.
Fuck you.
Up next, we go to the colon.
Yo, let's go. We're going to go back in time when Joe Biden fought Corn Pop.
Oh, no. What's that noise? Oh, no, kids. I know that noise. Everyone put on your life jacket. She's getting her period. They're like, why are we in this lady? I was like, I'm teaching you about the female body.
Anatomy.
Like, what the? They're
What
like,
you mean, dog?
why does she have a picture of you on her dress? I'm like, hey, you don't want to mind your business.
You know what?
Mind your business. Matter of fact, trip over.
Relax.
Okay, I just got to get into her head. We got to enter the brain, and we
find
have
out.
to go to the area where she remembers Instagram likes, and we have to set off these explosives.
That's right.
Okay,
Just doing a little underwater demo.
Okay. They got a little too drunk and was a little too click happy on Instagram, and I'm trying to have a good weekend. So
I don't like shit on Instagram. Nigga,
ain't no point.
Except pictures of graffiti. That's it.
That's it.
So when niggas look at my shit like, oh, he likes graffiti. Okay,
I be liking pictures of watches, rescue animals. I be trying to throw the algorithm because the algorithm be like this. The algorithm, how it should work, it'd be like, oh, these is like a picture of a dump chump. These is like a picture of a pit bull.
Okay.
These is like a picture of a Breitling watch.
Okay.
No, this is how Instagram works.
Yo, this is like the picture of this bitch with this big ass, man. Nigga, look at this shit. Yo, by the way, if you follow this nigga, it's gonna tell you that he liked the shit even though it's 25 million likes.
Matter of fact,
how about that? We gonna put this nigga on blast.
Matter of fact, here's a picture that he liked in 2014. I'm gonna just push it up for no reason.
Oh shit, nigga, we on the explore page.
I remember someone was like, why'd you like this picture? And I was like, how the fuck did you see that? And that's apparently the wrong answer for why did you like this picture. The answer is not how did you see that or why are you on my page. Those are not the answers.
I have 2 words for you, my friend. Close friends.
Oh,
it's a very small list.
Close friends. I'm like, I was just liking, and sometimes I innocently be just liking the wild thirst traps of people I know. Like, if shout out to homie Stephanie Santiago, she throws some shit up and be like, yo, you killing it.
Like, you do your thing.
Joe, what you doing? Why you like
Because we know each other.
Yeah. Yeah.
We were in the same circles.
I don't see you liking any pictures of wax. I was like, because I don't want him to get confused.
You're like, yo, you liking a lot of my pictures, nigga.
What's up? You want to trade dick pics? I was like, no.
No,
nigga.
I bet you my shit longer than yours, though.
Oh, my shit bigger. I'll show you. I'll whip it out right now. Hold on. Gotta take a shit. Catch it. Shout out to Wax Homie.
you shit in your hand, bro?
That shit needs to go on the fucking sideboard for no reason. This is a non sequitur. Shorty's voice and delivery with that, I was just like, yo, are you Marissa Tomei from the future?
Your hand, bro? Bro, you shit in your hand, bro?
That's OD.
Are you Puerto Rican grandma?
I take this guy that I guess love and respect, hold down in sickness and health.
All that shit,
You know?
shit's in his hand.
Whether he can wear a Vanson or a tech suit. As long as he doesn't snitch, he's my guy.
He's my guy. I fuck with him.
That's it. You know what I'm saying? He's a stand-up guy. I fucks with him.
All right, you may clap the bride.
Okay. A country club wedding in the Bronx.
At Villa Barone.
That's right.
Shout out to Villa Barone for getting
only
crushed
wedding
into
that
bad times.
has mafia and NYPD at the same time.
And it'd be wild. The shit just bugs me out because it's like obviously a mafia run, but then you get some wild hood weddings up in there where it's like you'll catch like some wild, like some average baseball player, dude. But even an average baseball player is a millionaire, so they'll throw some shit in there, and then you see just mad black people, Spanish people, whatever, and you're just like, yo, I thought this was like wild mafia situation. But the wildest part about that place is that it's right off an exit. So mad people at night going to the bridge are like, oh shit, this is the last exit before the bridge. So they be fucked up, swerve off. Yo, like 4 cars have crashed into that shit, bro.
Oh shit.
It got to a point where niggas had to put a light and like those stupid fucking rubber, like, yo, don't crash into these shits to stop niggas from running to crashing right into the front of that shit. I imagine fucking Prosciutto in the morning like, god damn it, fucking motherfucking Moulignans got drunk and crashed into fucking Villa Barone again. Again, we gotta fucking put up a sign there.
Can't keep a nice Villa Barone. If you can't go to Villa Barone, where can you go?
You can't fucking Marina Del Rey, I guess.
Where can you go? It's Marina Del Rey. Yo, shout out to damn, I forgot what I was about to say. Happens. You get older, you know.
Sometimes you lose it.
Forgetting my children's birthdays. Happens.
I do that shit all the time.
I put a set of keys in the fridge. I had to ask my husband to help find them. I was like, Sal, have you seen my
keys?
He's like, Doris, your glasses on your forehead.
Come on.
I was like, my name's Doris?
Oh, fuck.
No, that's a surprise to me. Apparently, I'm a matriarch of 9 grandkids. I'm like, I'm fucking confused, but you know. Were you a loving husband? He was like, you know, it was a little rough in the beginning, but
it was all right.
We came around
to it. It's all right. We fuck twice a week.
Oh, twice?
Oh, nice.
With pills or without?
You use your mouth?
I mean, these aren't. I mean, I paid a lot for these teeth, but they can go in that glass if you know what I mean. Why does he sound like fun and? Yeah. Listen,
some overlap.
There's overlap, but there's underlap. Is underlap a thing?
Oh shit!
Is underlap a thing?
It is now. The brand strength is undeniable. We make up words, motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Drink beer, drink. You know what I'm saying? Nigga, do.
If that was the 90s, I was like, yo, he's spitting. That nigga, stop.
Yo, that nigga, you spitting that knowledge.
Stop. I'm like, stop. Rewind. Stop. Play. Because I didn't have one of the fancy ones you could go right from rewind to play.
Oh, nah, you're not fucking. I tell you, yeah, don't fuck the tape up.
Niggas ain't have Sony money. Niggas had Kobe money. I was like, oh man,
time to go back to the dollar store.
One headphone broke.
Time to go back to Jam.
You know what? I could go the rest of the day listening to music in one headphone. Narrator's voice. 30 seconds later. He could not. Just hearing like
you just wrapping a cord around the Walkman and shit like fuck.
Just hearing one half of Cohen Noriega. All you hear is what? Bloody money.
What?
Stab you in the face.
What?
Guitar bone.
Like ashtray face.
I'm just like, what? You start hearing like layers that only fucking Marley Marl wanted you to hear and shit.
You just hear the arrow fucking over the LA shit like what?
Or you get to the point where like you barely hear any. The one headphone that doesn't break is like doing all the like the bass shit. So you just like hear niggas talking in the background of the studio. Niggas like, yeah, what y'all want? I'm gonna get some French fries and shit. I'm gonna get White Castle. Bodega Boys doing a White Castle challenge. I'm gonna get some clam strips and shit.
I'm saying, word, yeah.
Yo, I ain't no bitches in this shit, bro.
By the way,
yo, Biggie said there'd be bitches at this shit. Yo, it's just like Junior Mafia and shit. Like this shit whack, bro.
This is Lil C.
Yo, I'd call some bitches, but it's the 90s. I gotta go to payphone.
Yeah, nah. I beat Shorty, but she ain't hit me back.
That shit is whack. Would you Sky Pager? Yeah, you gotta put 911 on that, my nigga.
I did, yo. She hit me back. That shot, man. That bitch is trash.
That's crazy. You seen that new episode of Golden Girls? That shit was wild. I was watching that with Tupac because it's the 90s.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Where it's the 90s, so I could just jump out the window and be like, yo, Blanche was a wild hoe.
Oh wow, yeah, it's not unproblematic because
that's saying it's not problematic. It's 1994 right now.
That's crazy. Oh shit, look at the time. My weekend nights and minutes just free kicked in, so I gotta go.
Oh shit, yo,
Audi 2000.
Yo, peace. But niggas had rollover minutes and they were like, yo, I got rollover minutes.
Nigga, I have never protected anything in my life the way I used to protect my rollover. Like, I just go into a new phone call. What about my rollover minutes?
Remember,
can they come with me? I have 28,000 rollover minutes. I've been doing it for 2 years. Americans treated their rollover minutes better than they treated their retirement accounts. All right, there are niggas out there that got $1 to the name. You go to T-Mobile right now, you could talk forever.
Yo.
Also, what happened to phones? Before it was like, here's a minute. I don't use it. Now niggas like, yo, just talk forever.
Yo, talk forever. I don't care, nigga. Whatever.
AT&T don't even care. AT&T is like, yo, you got unlimited data. They be saying in a while. They was like, yo, my nigga,
You watch a mad Pino on the data, my
They was
nigga.
like,
Use
my nigga,
Wi-Fi when you in the crib.
My nigga used 100 gigs this month. If you read the whole text message, it literally says, yo, you used 100 gigs this month, blah, blah, blah. It says blah, blah, blah. Because they know my answer to that is suck my dick. I got grandfathered in if I want to use all the data.
I'm going to use all of it.
Okay?
I dare you to slow my shit down.
I'll be a data slut. I'll be like helping niggas.
Fuck that.
I'll be like, yo, you want to use my maps? Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Oh, you bored? Hold on. Let me download all these NPR podcasts for you on the flight.
Get on the plane and shit and be like, yo, y'all can all use my phone as a Wi-Fi hotspot.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes, I am roaming over the Atlantic Ocean. I don't give a fuck. I got that grandfather.
You're
Niggas start
welcome.
dancing and shit. Niggas like, ah! Oh, fuck it up. Ah, fuck it up. Da-da, 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 ah, da-da, ah, da-da,
You bring two grandfathers and shit. Your backup dancers and shit. Niggas like, Jesus Christ.
da-da, fuck it up. Ah, fuck it up.
Unlimited data. Unlimited data. Yeah.
Niggas like, yo, can we all watch Netflix? I was like, you can.
Oh, yo.
Go to town.
Yo, watching the HD too, nigga.
You physically see the router sweating like, oh, the data's over 9,000.
Oh my god, over 9,000 gigs per second. I can't. Shit turned into Scotty from Star Trek and shit. Like, Captain, can I do it?
When me and Tommy, shout out to Tommy the guy, when we were traveling through Europe, to have high speed trains and you have constant, super fast Wi-Fi connections the whole ride.
That's ill.
And the thing is, like, they brag when you're logging in because it's free, but the first thing they're like, you know what? It wasn't that easy to do this. Okay? A lot goes into this. And they make you watch a video about, like, listen, it hands from station to station. You should be thankful for this. And they're like, here you go. And I was like, oh, this is nice. Now I'm going to go shit post on Twitter.
Dickhead.
How you feel?
Watch Matt Pino 4K HD with the sound on.
I mean, you're not a pervert for using 4K HD, but you do. You know what? Maybe
You're a nasty nigga
maybe
because
a
you
year
wanna
ago
see
you
everything.
were good at like 720. And even like 4 years ago, you were good at like
1080.
1080. Not even 1080, like 360 or 480.
Yeah.
But now, oh la la, it's the Prince of England. You need 1080. You need HK. You need 4K. 4K be a lot.
4K is a lot.
4K be a lot. Sometimes I see the Chromecast like, yo, my nigga.
I did not need to. Now I know that you have a hemorrhoid. You know what I'm saying? And you shoot the scenes with a hemorrhoid on.
Anytime you got to take porn back to see something, it's too clear.
Like, yo, hold up.
They said, what? Wait, what happened?
Is that what? Why the butthole look like that?
Yeah, you'd be like, whoa.
Why the butthole look like a fucking conceited gif? It's just like
be watching porn. This be like the fucking tailspin fucking theme. I'm like,
oh yeah. Niggas start playing bongos on shorty ass cheeks. You're like, yo, what is this?
you just pause it. You see like bumps and shit. You be on like fucking Wikipedia, like red bumps, crotch area,
anal,
blistering.
pus.
You press enter and the first result is the fucking link you're watching. You're like, ah.
Did you mean this shit, you nasty nigga?
Black porn actor dick looks like Star Crunch. Enter.
Well, that's the technology we got to develop. Find the Pino, your favorite Pino clips.
We need we need Shazam for porn.
Straight up.
But the way it works is like
Straight up.
But you just describe it. You be like, yo, in 2002, I saw a porn. It was a black chick. She had on a red dress. She worked at a souvenir store. As she was selling World War II memorabilia to a black guy who didn't want to buy it. He had a scar on his face. It was like for West Coast videos, and he started blowing her back out over like some artillery shows, and then just comes back like coffee brown. I'm like, oh shit!
It's like serious shit. It's like, I believe you're talking about Coffee Brown in Booty Talk 68.
Oh shit, that's the one. I have a link if you like.
I have a link. It's I have a time code.
I'm sorry, the porn you described is really nasty and dirty and no longer made it to the internet. You're like, oh shit.
Yo, damn.
I was like, I seen on it. They was like, yeah, it's been scrubbed. You're nasty. But like, then starts getting funky. It's like, oh wow, you're bringing it back. You're like, well, no, nigga.
You judging me?
Oh wow, today we're feeling like the retros. The porn you described is Vanessa Del Rio. You're like, damn.
Wow. Okay.
You're like, wow.
Oh shit.
Shit. What's Vanessa Del Rio up to?
Did you have any new scenes?
You a nasty nigga because we both know we would watch a brand new Vanessa Del Rio scene to this day.
To this day, nigga.
To this day.
You know what I'm saying? To this day. That's like if Pat Ewing joined the Big Three, nigga, I watch every game.
Vanessa Del Rio only got 14,000 followers?
Damn.
Oh, she's just chilling. She the wild TT. Her Instagram is just mad pictures of her dog.
Oh,
yeah.
no.
I fucks with it.
Shit.
Big Latin energy.
Okay.
She also selling memorabilia on eBay. You gotta be a nasty nigga
To buy like, yo.
But if your father just got out of prison, and you be here like, yo, I got some Vanessa Del Rio panties.
He's like, yo, my
like,
son.
Oh, I'm sorry, I wasn't there for you. And now you're like 40.
I know you love me. That's how I know you always love me, my son. I was like,
I love you, Daddy.
I love you too, Dad.
Niggas start crying and use the panties and dab the tears.
You smelling them together like we're bonding. We're making up for lost time.
I'm like, no, bonding. That was the name of the scene this was in.
He's like new Pino. He's like,
oh my
god.
Oh my god. What is this?
Looky.
This not tranquil. What is this? No.
Papi,
I like the old stuff.
No, Papi, no.
I like the old stuff. It was safer.
Papi.
Hairy, no condom,
yeah,
you know, no
Papi,
AIDS.
the asshole don't go open like that.
How the asshole come out like that?
No, Papi, you look like flowers.
Why the ass look like a Capri Sun pouch? Is that in the gift package? When a nigga get out of, if a nigga get out of jail, you can't give him porn. You gotta give him like straight puss. Okay?
You be like, this person has agreed to have sex with you upon your release.
Like, ow. unless they had like that wild Dockington and like they got that one chick like, oh wait,
oh yeah.
She be married with like 4 kids and she's like, I'll give her. I promise is a promise.
I never break a promise that I can't keep. Yes, indeed.
That's right. Be sure to see us in Vegas, me and Mero, and we're doing a podcast. We are doing a Drew Hill cover band.
That's right.
5 steps from eating turkey, 4 steps from bacon hurting me, and bi-coastal.
I'm Woody.
They said I had a clogged artery. The doctor said that I had to stop eating Scrapple.
This nigga's eating in my bed.
Eating in my baby. Eating from the rooter to the tutor.
Yo!
Oh shit!
Respect
Cisco, Cisco the legend. All right,
Remember when he ran over all them ass cheeks on the beach?
We're working on a new commercial for Romantic Hut, the porn store on the Bronx and Yonkers. He's like, oh, that strap's so scandalous. Let me see that dog.
Let me see that
nigga run out talking about dogs.
They got the double dong and shit.
Let me see that dog. I'm like, all right, relax.
Nigga used to double dong like headphones and shit. You got one dick in his ear like, ah. Nigga hit the wild vocal run.
Oh, shit.
Yo, dog. Oh my god. Yo, sex stores are wild because it's like there's levels, nigga. That like you walk into a sex store and
how do we you know it's not how do we end up here, but it's like how do we always end up here? It ain't at the 10-minute mark, it ain't at the 50-minute mark, but it's gonna be at some point in this podcast.
Yo,
Sushi Boys
gang.
You gotta get Victoria to do a Sushi Boys drop.
Sucio Boys, boss. Yo, boss, it was totally gnarly, boss. Like, I did like half a fucking mass of coke, bro. I was in like fucking Bolivia, and I was with El Santo and shit. Like, we did some wild coke.
Oh my god.
I think it was laced with fentanyl. Everybody died except me. It's totally gnarly. It's on my Instagram story.
Victoria could come back from vacation, but like everybody died except me. Like mad nonchalant.
Boss, it was fucking gnar, boss. Like we were on a fucking yacht and we hit a rock, boss, and like everybody died. And then I was just like, I wanted to die too, but I swam because like my body just like was a reflex, and I just swam. I don't know if it was the coke, boss, but I just swam to shore.
Wow. Feel better, Victoria.
Get well soon. We love you.
This is what bodega love feels like. Nigga coming to bodega mad sick. You have Sudafed? They're like, this nigga's sick.
This nigga's sick as fuck.
Oh shit. Just random niggas in bodega asking you suggestions and shit. They're like, yo, You gotta take a egg white, right? Take the yolk out and then just drink the egg white upside down, and that'll help you with the cough.
And put a penny on my head too, right?
Oh no, I didn't. Oh, that's like for if you're Latino.
Oh, okay. Cool, cool,
take a little piece of cord and put it underneath your baby's pillow so it's not ugly. Boom.
Facts. Boom. There you go.
There you go.
About to go home and eat a cigarette butt.
Smart.
They told me. You know what I'm saying?
That's keto.
Boom.
There you go. A lot of people don't know that.
You know what I'm saying? Keto diet. Y'all don't know about that because you're not hip with the time.
That's right.
You know
Keto diet, as created by Kalin.
Yep.
Roommate
Right.
of OJ Simpson.
That's right.
And I'm being fact checked in real time by Milk Studios. I'm being told that
it's not true.
Number one, that is not where keto comes from. Also, do not talk about OJ Simpson.
Oh,
okay.
Shit. Okay.
They said other than that, we are killing the game.
Oh, shit.
Boo, boo, boo,
Brother, this guy stinks!
You're just a jerk.
I mean, listen. Why do all our jokes got to be like the best jokes ever? When the Knicks play, okay, you know what? Right now we're rebuilding. How about that?
Yeah,
we're rebuilding. We're rebuilding. Okay,
we're rebuilding the franchise.
Matter of fact, we're tanking. We're tanking. We're not even showing up next week. We're gonna have those two Spanish guys on the radio show.
Shout out to Brea Franca. Shit, I got there. They're gonna be taking over next week. Podcast takeover. They're gonna be like, "Yo, Papi, it was crazy. This nigga wilding out."
Everyone's like, "Jesus looks a little different."
Why does Jesus sound like Ricky Ricardo?
Oh man, this guy stinks. The next time you say this guy stinks, think about it. Maybe he doesn't have access to a shower. Perhaps I'll give him soap.
Yeah,
help your brother.
Yeah,
we're the Bodega Boys, and we care.
We care.
Also,
you could go to Target and go in the travel section and get little deodorants, little soaps, little toothpaste, and just make care packages for people that are less fortunate.
Yeah. Or
you could be like, fuck that nigga, I'm buying a pack. Buying this zip right now.
There you go. Actually, I was thinking about that in where we're at right now. Buying drugs doesn't make sense unless we buy in bulk.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Like
there's absolutely no reason for me to buy a dime of 20 of bud. Like no reason.
Gotta get. Listen, when I buy my food, I buy it in bulk.
Tell him, mate.
I get my peas.
That's right, mate. It's not a waste, man. It's a road.
My peas.
It's a straight road man ting. Road man ting, innit?
All right. Zed tolerance.
Zed tolerance. Nigga said Zed. That nigga, yo, shout out to Australia, shout out to the UK. Y'all niggas fucked me up with that Zed shit. I was like, yo, son.
Yo, let get cause Zed tolerance come after me. I'm like, nigga, I'll fucking all y'all niggas up.
Fuck out of here.
Oh, Zed top ass niggas.
Fam, I told you
Levi jeans.
Levi jeans. What we said, karate trousers, mate. Yo, Levi jeans.
Man's is at the kebab spot. Bro.
Man's is at the pick and mix, mate. Yo, shoot that. There gotta be a shootout at pick and mix in the next season of Top Boy.
Pick and mix. Niggas ducking behind the counter at Nando's and shit. I got peri-peri sauce in my eye.
Look at goddamn, man. You fuck goddamn.
You wanker.
Nigga just jump and shit. Like, you just get out the way. Nigga try to stab you. Like, yo, what the fuck?
Why don't they make stab proof? Don't they have stab proof vests?
If they have bulletproof vests, they got stab proof vests.
No, the corrections officers have stab proof vests.
They got to.
And they have different levels of what stab proofness it is too. But like, the thing is, like, you're trying to avoid a major artery, so it's like you want to get them like the fleshy parts. Listen, a nigga stab you is sending a message.
Yeah.
Okay? It's not I want to kill you. Because if a nigga trying to kill you, they're gonna go like this.
Yeah.
But nigga stab you, it's like, yo, you're annoying.
Yo.
Getting stabbed is like getting muted on Twitter.
That's like the warning. Like, yo, fam, this could get worse. But right now, I'm just going to stab you in the thigh, give you gangrene for a little bit, so you learn your lesson.
Multiple stabbings, though. Then you die.
That's true.
That's different. Yeah. But, you know.
You stab a nigga to death. You like, yo. You go in and you're like, because it's like, yo, one thing is to be like, yo, I clapped this nigga from down the block.
Yeah. Stabbing is very personal.
It's very personal.
Intimate.
Very intimate.
Yeah.
That's what, you know what I'm saying?
And there's a 99% chance you're going to get that person's blood on your hand. You got to deal with that later.
Yep.
I don't know. Some
you
of y'all
wake up
not
in the
built
middle
for
of the night, like looking at your hand, like yo, and fucking go through a psychotic break and to chop your hand off.
You know, some of y'all not built for that. On the other hand, some of y'all went to skate key, so y'all know what it is.
So you know what time
all
it
right?
is.
Sometimes y'all see a nigga on Facebook and be like, "Oh, I chopped that nigga."
Yo, what?
Oh, that nigga went to HVAC school. Oh, I'm glad that nigga.
Bro, come on, nigga. This nigga went to Apex Tech. Nigga, I caught this nigga coming out serving niggas.
You tell your girl, you be like, yo, ma, look. Yo, this nigga was mad pussy. I cut this nigga mad time and took advantage.
Look.
She's like,
you see the earth form on that nigga's face?
I'm on the phone with the fucking vent people.
Oh, my fault.
There's black mold in the. You're talking about chopping. Are you talking?
Oh, we got mold? They gonna bring a little dog in? I fuck with that little
That's
dog.
for bed bugs.
Oh.
That's for bed bugs, you piece of shit.
We should check though. We should check. You know what I'm saying? You know, it's better safe than sorry. You feel me?
I'm
you
so
want bed bugs?
disgusted. I was in the China Club. You were in skate key with the miners?
I was.
Ugh.
Yeah. Yeah. With the fake ass parasucos.
And you thought you were jiggy.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
But listen, if you pay like you wait, then you can stay, baby. We find out Jada Kids likes his girl's BBW. He's like, ah!
That was such a great song.
Yo, that song was hell.
That's gonna be my wedding song.
Oh,
like,
yeah.
The new couple.
Ooh.
Hey.
Ooh. Oh, he hit the Kobe headphones? Yo, you know what's so ill? I had the PlayStation demo disc and I would start playing the jet ski game.
Yeah.
Take the shit out and then put this shit in and then rock out and play If You Think I'm Jiggy. Doing 360s on a fucking PS1 jet ski. Nigga, what's up?
Do you remember Road Rash? So it was one Thanksgiving because remember I was at the Dreamcast or the PlayStation. You were able to take the game out and put a CD in. Yeah. So we're all playing Road Rash. Road Rash is mad violent and whatever. My sister's boyfriend at the time just takes out the CD and just like, nah, I want to hear some different shit while I play Road Rash. It was like,
because it was corny shit. It was like Sugar Ray and shit like that was the soundtrack.
So that he's playing and all you hear is.
I was like, my nigga, is this road cruising?
You been put on Rome, I belong to you. Every time I see your face. Niggas is like, I'm like, yo, I got next nigga, unless you gonna make love to me. Like, what the fuck is this shit?
Doing, bro?
This nigga like,
throw on some fucking locks. Like, what are you doing?
You know what? When the niggas just come home, you let them do what they do.
Want. You let them do what they want.
Because just because they came home doesn't mean I am home. Okay?
My body's here, but my physical's here, but my mental's still trapped.
My man Desus Nice asked me to say some words as mega church. So I said, okay. My man Mero is going to do the background vocals.
Hit him.
Where Adam and Eve were slaves in the tree. And Satan said, eat the apple. I saw it for me. The future was not what I was supposed to do. The future was me to talk to you. So I preach and I preach. And I hope that I reach your soul and your heart on the inside of the speech. Now I smoke crack.
You smoke crack.
That's all I got. I smoke crack. I really love crack. Anyone got some crack? Some crack to the stage, please. Crack to the stage.
I need 500 milligrams to crack that.
I like, preacher Earl needs some crack, so I need you to all deep. I need you to all deal deep in your pockets. Whatever you got a square card reader, you got some Bitcoin. If you got a crack rock, just put it in the plate right there. Put that shit. If you got butt cracks, if you got cracks in your foundation, I don't care what you got. Just throw it in there.
Throw it in there, motherfucker.
Okay? Just throw it in there. If you were near Chris Brown, just throw your shirt in a Oh man. See? That's what you get, man. That's what happens when you mix oil and water. Not only do you get a delicious vinaigrette, you get Bodega Boys episode 171. Yeah. It's been your boy Desus Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pockets Stay Fat like Tineo. Or, as the other kids would say, Pockets Stay Fat like Here We Go! Woo! Up next, after Desus and Mero, come out the Jonas Brothers.
Whoa!
We like bumped in the Jonas Brothers getting on stage and get to the wild fight. It's like me and you just beating the shit out like two Jonas Brothers.
Which one of y'all is the cake in the ocean, nigga?
Yo, which one of y'all is married to the chick from Game of Thrones? Huh? I'll fuck all y'all niggas up.
What the fuck?
Okay.
You tell me I can't get in the beach, y'all niggas eating cake by the ocean?
Fuck that. I don't even know what he's talking about.
That shit don't make no fucking sense.
Fuck that. Aren't y'all Hanson? Okay. Someone that might know you, bitch. Yuck Day Party. No one's. They need a dancehall version of that.
Big up, Hasan.
Someone that might know you, bitch. Young Day Party. Young Hot Take. DJ Fuego. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Mr. Nando's with a rando. Where's my food, bro? Bruv, where's my food?
Where's my literal food, bruv?
Where's my food, bro? I need my peas.
I need literally, bruv. I need my spotted dick, mate.
I need my peas. 1974 in Nueva York. Yeah. Mikhail going off the Juve boss. MC Luka Gunga. That's right.
Drink this thick soup with a salad.
You know what I'm saying?
Drink this thick soup with a spoon. There you go. Put up with 40 with your shorty. Hey, can you talk to me in Uber? I don't know you. And also, I have Uber Platinum, which means I can cancel this bitch 15 minutes after I order, and it don't even matter.
That's right. I select.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
And you know what I get for that? Nothing.
It's all good.
I get robbed by Uber.
We out here paying extra for just to pick conversation strategies and shit like that.
That's right. We're just
ask you like, yo, do you want the driver to talk to you? No. Do you want air conditioning? Yes. Do you need a baby seat? Maybe.
See, I don't even know. They got Uber jet skis. I was on the Hudson yesterday in an Uber jet ski.
Wildin'.
It wasn't
donuts.
It wasn't through Uber. It was like a nigga on my block named Uber.
He's like, y'all do Uber on the weekends, but I got a jet ski too.
He's Dominican, but he spells Uber with a D. I don't know.
And they're Uber. D apostrophe Uber.
D Uber's pulling up. He's like, I D Uber?
That's me. And Desus? Okay, cool.
There isn't my plus one, got a plus one. So don't make a fuss on it. Act like it's normal.
Don't
make Matter of fact, you know what? I'm not even doing the red carpet yet. I'm gonna go get drunk first and then do the red carpet. That's right.
So y'all gonna have to wait.
I'm not one of those people gonna do the red carpet as I walk in. Fuck that. Fuck that. Rihanna don't do that shit.
You crazy?
Okay.
Thought.
You thought. The original one plus one got plus one because we did that already. He's Rossi and the Jamaican Jew. Jermaine, hey, listen, what Jewish holidays coming up soon?
We got Rosh Hashanah coming
Rosh Hashanah.
Everybody get ready to celebrate a 5778.
I remember Rosh Hashanah. She was in my 5th grade class in Cobweb City. She was the first girl to let me feel under the sweater, but not over the bra. Okay, Jermaine Avocado Toast. Young Pop. She was hot, but she had weird braces. Goes to Mufasa. Young Chakuni without the coonery. AK Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. KLOK, motherfucker, put me in. And they tried to take me out, and I was like, this is my fucking inning.
This is it.
This is my inning.
This is mine, Poppy.
You don't take me out.
No.
And then I proceeded to give up 3 hits and a grand slam. Barrel in the future. Maybe I don't drink before the game.
That's it. You know, maybe
I see the catcher's mitt, but it's two. It move.
Papi, pero I speak Spanish like you, and I'm telling you in Spanish that I wanted you to throw a fastball right down the middle.
No, Magic Eye. I don't see ball.
Okay.
I don't see ball.
Papi, pero just tírame la bola right here.
No.
Right here, aquí.
No. It's my ball.
Oh, okay, está bien. That's cool.
They just roll up on the floor with the ball like it's my ball. They're like, oh shit.
Aaron Boone comes out. He's like, yeah, I don't know what to do with this guy.
He's off the shits.
Yeah,
he's off the shits. What can I say? My guys are savages and they're off the shits. Okay. Someone. Hey, currently the starting pitcher is in a K-hole and they are motioning to they hate to see this.
Oh my God.
And someone's like, I remember I was in K-hole in 86 and I still pitched a perfect game. These guys nowadays are soft and they're brown.
This is wild. I mean, Euphoria at a Yankee Stadium, you would think it would turn out a little differently. I've never had soup.
Oh, wow. You are so cutting edge with the references. I mean, like, who let the dogs out? Hey, Two-Phone Jones. He's like, Margaret J. Chuckle Stanley Cups. The human Dr. Bond is like, dilute. And if it's coming out slowly, roll off the top and put water on the top. Turn it upside down. And then because it coagulates.
Yeah,
right there on the
just
top,
like
you gotta push out. Or if you have a Q-tip, just push it through and you get like mad kind of hardened Dr. Bondage, and you can roll that in your hand and use it as more soap. More soap, more savings.
You know
Preach to all the immigrants.
Bond.
My parents are so happy somewhere. They're like, oh my God, he saved 4 cents.
He saved 4 cents. Oh my God.
But then they're gonna get sad because on my way out, I'm not gonna pick up a nickel. And my mother's like, why would you want me to die? Did the Trapio. Mr. 240 because like my Pinot blurry. DJ Wool like he's in Watch FM. No, we don't always have the greatest Watch FM songs, but you know what? We're moving to the next line, the acoustic version. Give me the little featuring the Bodega Boys.
Man Tech left and it been a 9 at my crib.
Turned himself in, he had to do a bid. 1 to 3.
He'll be humming in the 9 to 3.
Ready to get this money, G. You with me?
Pockets looking right, my pockets looking kind of tight.
And I'm vest, so Biggie let me get the vest.
No need for that, just grab the fucking gas.
First nigga is chat, we take it to his bag.
Word is bond.
Motherfucker don't dick no moves. Treat it like boxing, sticking moves. That's to explain shit. I've been robbing motherfuckers since the slave ships. Same shit, and the same 4 or 5. 2 point blank, a motherfucker sure to die. Look more niggas if you try to play hard. Have the mother saying it's so hard. So hard.
Loyalty, brotherhood.
We gotta stop there before we get like the wild cease and desist. But that's right. Coming to you soon. Watch Fest.
Ukulele.
That's right. We doing all the fucking standards acoustic. Okay.
Ukuleles all the time.
We're gonna do March Madness acoustic, and Mero on the first try is going to do the Chris Brown front flip.
Yeah, you'd love to see it.
Love to see it.
You know
So
what I'm
would I.
saying? I will be off several edibles.
I
bet you can't do this at Stagecoach.
Just drop the food and run out. The curry go. Jesus Spicer. Fuck Sean Spicer for being on.
Smash a bottle on his way.
For being on Dancing with the Stars, but he got the Dance with the, like it's not his fault. It's not his fault. Niggas
they called him.
They hired him. Okay?
Yo.
Getting them check. Can't be mad at
Yo,
that.
listen.
Jamal Hashburn. The Bronx Celine Dion. Our queen Celine Dion has dropped 3 new songs.
Oh, shit.
Be sure to memorize them. Okay? All my Jamaicans, I need you to know.
Turn up the bashment.
I need all you Jamaicans to have these songs memorized. Before the end of Sandal season.
That's right. Big tune from Celine Dion.
And the joke is Sandal season never ends because you will see a Jamaican woman out with pantyhose and white sandals in December. So I thank you for that, my yardy aunties.
Salute.
All right, fuck what the weather says.
Big yard energy.
Can't wear white after Labor Day. You tots.
You mad? Who made that rule?
Ray Nephew's nephew. That's right. The only rum that will burn your pubic hair off from the inside.
That's right.
The Moreno, you can't contain us. Don't try to contain me, bro.
Damn, bro.
Don't try to contain me, bro.
Wow, stop going to Crate and Barrel, bro. Stop trying to find containers, bro.
Bro, this guy tried to put me in a fucking mason jar, bro.
Bro, it didn't work, bro.
Bro.
Ball drop my dick.
Bro, this guy tried to put me in a fucking Tupperware.
Fuck.
What the fuck is this?
Fucking crazy, bro.
Bro.
It's from the 70s, dude.
Bro, I seen this fucking Dominican chick. She tried to put me in one of those fucking cookie jars. The thing.
Little tins?
The tins.
Oh, bro, with the threads and the needle and
I'm
shit?
getting stuck in, I got a fucking thumb ball.
Oh, you look fucking push. What did she think? You're a fucking pincushion?
Yeah, I get out. Her father calls. He laughed. He goes, "Thumbelina." I was like, "Fuck you,
Oh,
Alberto."
wow. That's disrespectful.
The disrespect to the Moreno.
I'm shocked. He knows Thumbelina.
Listen, he said it was the first book he read when he came here last year. The Human Maker or the Ja. Just had the Ja Rule is re-releasing all his albums as visual albums.
Wow.
Which is big cocaine energy.
Wow.
That's big cocaine energy, nigga.
Big cocaine. That's cocaine
me,
and Molly
that
together.
Is me after the shows, and I'm backstage and talking to you and Victor. I'm like, why don't we record all the podcasts from front? Let's do them in 3D. Matter of fact, we can perform them like Kanye. I'm just like, yo, just sweating and shit.
Man, crystals on your face. Like, why do you got crystals on your face?
Just texting Hasan like, Hasan, build a stage that turns into a mountain. build it in Jamroom.
He just sends you the thumbs up emoji. Like, throws his phone in the corner. Like, yo.
And then Hasan will send me like an email like, yo, I'm sorry. Like, I'm only going to have that stage built by Monday. I'm like, nigga.
Oh, shit.
Like,
okay.
I was like, you really did it? Okay.
All right, fine. Fuck it.
He's like, yo, I got it to go up and down, but I didn't, like, I had some snow floor installed and like, it's not working. I'm like, oh shit.
Oh shit, this guy got snow?
I was just mad high when I did it. The only people gonna see is me, Victor, and Mero. But thank you.
Good looking.
Can we get much higher? There's mad people tying up outside and shit. Tonight's filming of Desus, the 705 filming is full. If you do not have tickets, please go to standing room only. I'm like, oh look, Rihanna's here.
Oh my god.
We're mad nervous behind us. I'm like, oh my god.
Oh my god.
I think Joe Biden's in the audience.
Is that Gigi Hadid or Bill Hadid? Oh my god, it's wild.
Oh my god.
It's Joe Biden and Corn Pop.
You just go out there like,
it's Joe Biden and Joe Biden. Mm-hmm. They're right next to each other. It's nuts.
The lights stop. And it's like, I wish it was a Dominicano. I wish Yo Soy, my Dominicano was out here. It's like the one style like, Yo Soy Dominicano.
I just holding on for mad long. People are like, all right, young niggas gonna do jokes?
You just hear someone in the back like, is this Jersey Boys or Bodega Boys? I didn't bring my reading glasses. I think I'm in the wrong place. Where's the black guy that sings in the beginning of Jersey Boys?
I just want to cut it real quick and tell all elderly white people, if you're going to go see the Temptations musical on Broadway, there's parts about race relations that might make you uncomfortable. It's not just happy Motown time, my niggas. So bring your reading glasses and sit far away from the black people because they can look at you disapprovingly.
Motown, huh?
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. That's where the niggers make music.
Yeah, it's a nigger music factory.
You know what? Let's get these niggers to sign bad contracts.
I love it.
Put that nigger music out there and the white kids will love it.
love it.
All right? Nigger music is the hottest thing right now. I'm just okay, like, y'all don't need to say the N word so much.
Y'all can chill.
Like, I get what you're saying.
Y'all can chill.
Yo, Hov, talk to them. Yo, why y'all using the racial slur?
Come on, that's right. Yo, come on, man. Like, yo, you don't gotta say nigga. You can say nigga.
Beyonce made kitty cat. Y'all using epithets. I need y'all to stop.
Stop that. You know what I'm saying? Come on now.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Dub C, Westside Connection is a very talented MC. Instead of saying the N word, he said Neil. Y'all can say Neil as well.
Instead of saying nigga, why don't y'all say Jigga? What's my motherfucking name?
Jigga. Okay. And who I'm rolling with? What? My Jiggers.
You see these lyrics? I was wildin'. It's only us and the gun. Please don't let Gwyneth Paltrow see that. She's not gonna let me come to the goop party.
Chill.
Gwyneth, you wildin'.
Yo, what is this goop acronym? I don't even know what it stands for. Who cares?
Also, Gwen, I'm trying to apologize. Rumi and Sir running wild. They just starting to walk.
Yo,
they put crayons all over my Basquiat. I'm stressed.
Yo, I'm stressed out. I got peanut butter in my dreads.
That's crazy. I can't even find a Rock Nation. Tekis, I'm sorry.
Vegas! We love you, Vegas!
Oh, man. Yeah. Young Aaron, the racist provocateur. Henry Budcos. Yo, black people, come out to Rangers game this season. Let's make white Rangers fans uncomfortable.
Yeah.
All we gotta do is swag surf.
That's it.
They're gonna be like, how do they all know the dance?
20 of us in a row swag surfing. We'll turn that shit upside down, Duke.
Listen, we will own Madison Square Garden because you know they're gonna have the wild old Ranger fan. They'll be like, Charles Schultz, 1938, first tank warman in World War I. He's out there like,
yo, whose man's is this?
Yo, get that old ass nigga out of here,
nigga. All this shit, nigga.
Yo, play some Cardi.
Yo, fuck out of here.
Yo, what is that shit? Nigga, just I'm out there. Yo, Puck don't lie.
Yo, fuck out of here, yo. Bring out Travis Scott and some shit. Yo, bring out Pop Smoke, nigga.
Yo, play Coffee Toast.
You go to the Rangers game, niggas like, welcome to the party. What's up with the party? Niggas are scoring the goals. Niggas is playing power plays. Niggas in the penalty box.
Oh, shit. Oh, welcome to Latino Rangers night. We got some bad bunnies. I'm like,
what's up, man? Bucko!
No, we don't have Bad Bunny. We have misbehaving rabbits. They're on the ice. Let's see if we can catch them. The white people are like, this is whimsical. Yo. Up next, we got Candace Owen doing a freestyle. Go Hitler.
Yo.
Candace,
you got chill.
Candace, you got chill.
Yeah, well, I mean, the reality of the fact is that black guys are growing up in homes with no dads, okay? I wash my hair with just tap water.
Oh,
my sister would be ashamed of you.
She walks down the hair care and Just For Me box and be like, not you, nigga.
Not just for me, not you. Fuck you, fuck out of here.
They bring down the gate on the box like, this is closed.
It's closed. Sorry.
We're not straightening this shit. Sorry. How you straighten your hair with a hot spoon? Yo, Nelson Bechtel and Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buford. How you use the other side of the heroin spoon to straighten your hair? The human world is melting in your mouth. Mr. Bechtel, Rikitiki Squagri, Greg Popovich, Morris Sayers, Richard Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got that cucumber, you know what I'm saying? You got
the only shorty to go on a natural journey and get lost.
Even the Flow Tree CD was like, enough. So TV was like,
relax.
Niggas ain't gonna say yes. Okay?
No, they not.
All right? Ain't no more butterflies, nigga. Oh, shit. Mr. God. This is the press, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it. The Dada Ganoush. No more cup of noodles. The Prince of Peck on the Fashion Nova. Casanova. We made $5, $10, $10. Forget the small change. Give me.
What you want? What do you need?
Big money. Wine. The only anthem I salute is what?
Dipset.
Doom, 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 doom.
All right.
Unless we're in London. That niggas is in trouble.
Then we listen to SAS.
She's all salute, man.
Mr. Sager, catch me at square one. Top left, man's Marv.
Yo, don't cheese me, bro.
Where's my food, bruv?
Bruv.
Where's my food, bruv?
Bruv, Drake is coming, bruv.
I need my Q's and my P's.
Drake is coming with the sticks, bruv.
Drizzy? Aubrey?
The road man?
Aubrey is a waste man.
Nah, I'm a road man.
You're a waste man.
I'm a road man.
Got a baby hide. Chill Rizzuto, holy cow. Mr. South Punk, all I do is count checks and jerk off.
Yeah.
We got OJ, Purple Soda, Cocoa Delight, and what's me, Sunny Delight. Hey, Sunny D. I'm way behind like the Tropical Fantasy that's been there that long and shit. The box of bacon soda's like, yo, replace me, bro.
Yeah, come on, stop.
Bro, I've been
At least use me to cook some croak.
Bro, I've been here since you moved in. Bro, I'm solid now. Come on. You're supposed to replace me every 2 weeks. I know that seems like a lot, but come on.
Come on, bro.
Come on, bro. Smell this fridge. I'm clearly not doing this. I'm dying.
Come on, bro. Come on.
Bro, you bought fish and it leaked to the bottom of the fridge. You didn't wipe it up. You're filthy. Come on.
Yeah, the bottom of my box is melting, bro.
This shit is nasty, bro. Bro, this Chinese takeout here, that store doesn't even open anymore. Like, come on. Get your life together.
This shit's closed forever on Yelp.
Bro, you gotta get in a relationship. Like, how long you had this bacon here? A woman would have told you to throw this out already.
It looks cooked, but it's not.
It's not. Bro, you don't even know where that smell's coming from. You just open the door really fast, grab something, and close it.
Well, you got a box fan in the fridge, bro.
It's your man David Yer, man. If you're going through a midlife crisis and you like to pay a lot for reclaimed wood or marble, go to David Yer.
Yeah, that's
man.
right.
Especially good if you are cheating on your wife and she found out, but she texted you and you're on a flight and you have to buy something at JFK Airport.
Right.
Quick fast.
Get that little driftwood bracelet, nigga.
There you go, ma. Tell her, you know what? We've been together forever, but that's your fucking money. You think you're gonna get in my money? I have a prenup. David Yerman for the cheap guys that got money. These expensive, these red bottles, these bloody shoes. Fucking Sheila thinks she's gonna get some of this money. Yeah. She thought. All right. All of this, you see? I made
thought.
it. You thought. You thought.
You're listening to too much of those fucking Bodega Boys.
Yeah.
That's what you're doing.
You know what? Listen to the Bodega Boys. I made a wise investment. When you laughed, when
Yeah.
I took all our money, and I bankrolled Belly 2 going straight to DVD with the game, and I lost it all.
Yeah.
Like, I learned nothing.
Yeah. You know
I don't
what?
even know I brought that up.
And guess what? You was stupid enough to make a living will. And you know what I invested my last $200 in?
What'd you do?
I got one of these from Ray Ray.
What you gonna do? Shoot me?
You think I won't?
I think you won't. You don't have the guts, broad. My fucking side.
That was your dick.
Wow.
Next is your heart.
Wow.
You want one right through the chest, you piece of shit?
Wow, you can't shoot straight or make a straight kid. That's
Shut the fuck up, you bitch. Now who's the bitch, huh? Your dinner's cold. Your dinner's cold. Your dinner's cold. You know what's cold?
You haven't cooked in 24 years, you whore.
Yeah, you know what's hot? This fucking 4-5. You fucking coward. Bleed out. I want to watch it die. Put it, Alexa, play Johnny Cash. I shot a man in Reno. Yeah.
Fucking cunt.
Yeah, bleed. You fucking coward. I would shoot you in the face, but I want to watch you die.
God, I feel like you. I'm useless lying on the floor and bleeding too.
There's another one. Yeah, take that one home with you.
Stop spending my money on bullets, you bitch. So, Steve, how much does he spend on bullets?
I mean, after that one, I think we're up to like 17.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Those are hollow tip rounds, too. I mean, you should be dead by now. It's amazing.
Steve, do me a favor. Could find her a place where she could buy cheaper bullets. This bitch is gonna drive me broke.
Okay. All right. Gotcha. I'm on it.
Thanks. Also, can I use your tie as a tourniquet?
Yeah.
Or is that like a client relations privilege?
Yeah.
problem?
I can't because I have another meeting after this, and I need a tie. Yeah.
Give me some of those junk bonds.
Oh, you know what? I have one Bernie Madoff's old ties.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, here.
Nice.
Just take that.
Fucking bitch. Why would I go to
What are you doing in the car without me?
Because I'm not going. I'm rich. I don't know where the hospital is. Everything I go to the counter for toothpaste. What's wrong with you, you fucking whore? Stop shooting me.
Steve, you want to catch one too?
I think we need to move Loco.
That ain't no problem.
Also, how does it shoot if it's plastic? I wanted to know. Lil Wayne said that once. So keep Noah, Edge of Cool, name it. AKA the Junior Energy God. Come sit down, palm me.
Say punny.
That's right. Remember, wireless charging and herpes. You just gotta come in contact with either one. Call me Petco because I got your bitch on freeze. The topic of gossip is Syosset. You know, shout out to 11791. And if you see me using the plates and I have to enter the train on the main track in the middle.
That's right.
Listen, baby.
That's what I'm doing.
I'm not waiting for the train to stop.
Wow.
I'm standing on that bitch until the train comes and they level up in front of me.
That's right.
Okay? Because listen, you can't run Syosset without offset.
Facts.
I'm dyslexic. I'm sorry. Hey, Grandpa Joe, because when you see Charlie, you see me. Don't touch that golden ticket. Your man, dead-eyed Jesus. Morning, Sheriff.
You look like you ripped something.
Seems to be the...
Police! Help! Police!
Quick question. I'm in the baggage claim part or JFK. Like, how do you make sure that these bags are who they belong to?
Police! Help! Police!
Yeah, I'm just leaving with 7 Toomey bags. I brought them all. Could someone give me a taxi?
Yeah, I like to buy different colors of luggage. Yeah. That's my Disney princess. Carry on.
Yes, that is my scrunchie on the top, so I can find it. Mr. Top of that street, easy. The bad breeze like I'm easy. Please believe me, baby. The black Ajax addict who'll crack your back like an automatic Craftmatic. Remember when a Craftmatic bed was like
the shit,
nigga? That
and
was
then you realized
flex.
it was just a hospital bed, and you were like,
it was a bigger. Like, weird kids were like, yo. That bed folds up. That bed,
you can bend your knees.
You probably have wild sex on it. And then it's like when you get a Craftmatic, that'd be like, yo, grandma's dying.
Grandma made a decision.
Right? Grandma was
she wants to go with dignity.
Listen, funeral or be comfortable. So, but that's the wild flex. You go visit your grandma. She like.
He like, yo, grandma, we thinking about putting you in hospice care, you know what I'm saying? Get you nurses and shit instead of take you out of the house. She's like,
Stupid, I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
Grandma, you sleeping? Oh, God, she's asleep.
Oh, I think she's dead. Oh, no. She pop up like,
oh, man. Oh, man.
You be like, yo, I thought she was dead. She's like, I'm here, nigga, what's up? Pussy's still yanking.
All right, relax. You're going to get thrown out.
Relax.
Oh, God.
Oh, shit. Oh, God.
Oh, Grandma.
Oh, God.
Oh, Grandma, please don't die. Please don't die. Grandma, please don't die. Please don't go because I have a trip next week to Vegas and I don't want you to fuck this
Please
shit
don't
up.
die. Oh, please don't die. Hey.
This is Lamarina with fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor. Yeah. Cheap ass killer. Look at these pores. Look at these pores. When I say pores, I don't mean pores like you. I mean pores on my face.
Can't even see him.
Best pores ever.
They're the John Cena pores. You can't see them.
Can't see him. That's right. Pull you black people off me like a Boreas strip. The Black Zach Morris of Pale Morris, aka Problematic Bae. Listen. If your kid never knows your name, they can't call you for money. Up next, we gotta come to the stage. Please adjust your receivers and your audio channels to channel 2 SAP. Up next, we got the human burrito.
That's right.
All right, Mr. Mangu, okay? AKA known as Caradad King.
Catch me on Breezes with a pack on me.
That's right.
It's your boy, the Kid Mero, aka the Human Direct Flop, aka Donovan McDab, aka Curve Gotti, aka Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? Aka Skirt Loader, jump the curb, motherfucker, hit your skateboarding bulldog and keep it moving. Ask me if I give a fuck. That motherfucker's mad annoying and he's gone viral way too many times. AKA I don't fucking baby, I fucking mang, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? AKA no need to check the guest list, nigga. And the guest list. I played the fucking French zesty candle in fucking Beauty and the Beast.
Lumiere?
Yes, that was me. Yes.
Oh, wow.
Oui, bonbons, maman, and all that good stuff.
You
know
were
what I'm
so
saying?
good. You were so good.
Thank you, monsieur. You know what I'm saying?
What the fuck you call me?
Monsieur.
Oh, okay.
No. You know what I'm saying?
Thought you were saying I was into like butt shit.
We're arbiters of PC culture. You know what I'm saying? So like I would never.
Call
you
me
understand?
Monsieur.
You know what I mean?
All right? Monsieur. Like I'm on my back with my legs open. I know what that word means, mister.
I apologize. You know what I'm saying?
Fuck out of here.
Yo, AKCC dab back here. You know what I'm saying? Catch me in my fucking basement. You know, asking people who come to do maintenance to pardon the smell because I'm down there doing wild concentrated strains of THC. You heard? You know what I'm saying? AKA getting to the shmoney and the schmunk. It's your boy Goldman. Smash. You know what I'm saying? AKA got my daughter ready to come off the bench for Daniel Jones if he has 2 bad starts, dog. You know why? Because I'm inclusive and I'm also the motherfucker dad of the year. You know what I'm saying? Holla. AKA Ben Smack Biombo. AKA Deyayo Maradona. AKA Dick in your bed Motombo. You know, come this pussy no more. This pussy belongs to me. Just kidding. This pussy belongs to and I have to ask her for her permission to enter.
He's woke.
Thank you. Open your third eye. You know what I'm saying? AKA David Trisdale, nigga. I'll take that for data. You know what I'm saying? Knicks winning 60 games this year. Book it. You know what I'm saying? Fuck the Vegas odds. AKA Bartolo's antenna so smooth. I'll fall asleep at the wheel and crash the zip car. You know what I'm saying? Fuck it. I don't care, nigga. It was a PT Cruiser. You should do better. If you knew better, you do better.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? AKA the Dominican Daddy. Yes, I did car shame y'all niggas with PT Cruiser. So what? You know what I'm saying? AKA swipe my car together. There's definitely money on it. Don't make me embarrass you in front of your fucking management when you come up here and ask me how the kids are doing and ask for a quick selfie. You know what I'm saying? Edward. Again, we meet again, Edward. You know what I'm saying? You like your little fairway job, Edwin? Whatever the fuck your name is, huh? Then put the motherfucking overpriced organic chocolate chip cookies in the bag and keep it fucking moving, man. These cookies were made by Dame Dash's son. What? He's a boss. He don't work for no other man. He's a boss. Pause for no reason. Still doing pause in 2019. Dame, what are you doing? Get it together, aka Romeo Santos. So Danny, let me black out. Yeah, tu favorito, mami. Yo, catch me que lo que. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be lit this time around. You know what I'm saying? Because me, I'm gonna be there with Ruby Perez and all the classicals, fucking grinding on your titi, my nigga. You're gonna be tight. You know what I'm saying? We all rocking Chelsea boots with the elastic on the side. Holla, they suede. I spilled something on it, but I don't care because I spray Crep Protect on my shit.
Smart.
You know what I'm saying? Smart guy. You know what I'm saying? That was the wild plug for no reason. Yo, Crep Protect. Some of you like the wild palette of fucking sneaker shit. You know what I mean? Because I be getting tight when I scuff my Chelsea boots. You feel me? Okay, Light El Touchy. Hello, is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes.
In your eyes.
That you're broke ass and you're fine.
Girl, you don't got 5.
Don't even come up with 5, bro. You know what? I'ma just light it. I got it. Don't worry about it, B. I got it. I got you.
Oh, you're so benevolent. Thank you, man.
You know what I'm saying?
I've been going through some things, bro.
Yeah, I appreciate. You know what I'm saying?
Yo,
I felt
my
the energy.
mama be stretching me.
I felt the energy, bro.
Them niggas at my job want me to come in every day.
I hear you, my nigga. I hear you.
So I was thinking, like, you know, I seen what you do, and you got a podcast, and like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you start from scratch, right?
Yeah.
And you with Jesus, like,
hit that shit. Yeah, that's that shit right there. That's that pack.
Yeah, that's a pack. Yeah. You and Jesus started from scratch, right? Yeah. So I was thinking I could do like what y'all did, but then I was like, it'd just be easier if you just gave me like 100,000. So could you just give me 100,000?
Nah, not at all.
You sure? Because I fucks with you, but like,
yeah, I mean, you could shoot me, nigga, but like, I don't got 100K liquid, so you about to just get like some sneakers and shit, like.
Oh, that's all right.
You know what I'm saying?
I just like shooting niggas.
Ah, damn. Yo, you look like I got fucking diverticulosis, nigga, because this shit. Oh, damn. Oh, okay. All right, damn. That part of my colon is already fucked up, nigga. You missed. Ha ha. AKA Tom Brady, your girl got my balls deflated like Bobby Kraft, nigga. Table Shop Boys in the building, Susho Gang. AKA feel the ass tights and I want to explore your cosmos, man. The Milky Way, you know what I'm saying? All that shit. Consensually. You know what I'm saying? If you will allow me, I would like to explore your anus. You know what I'm saying? AKA Lil Snoozy first nigga to tap out on live. You know what I'm saying? You tune into Instagram Live, you liable to see me talking wild, crazy, cash shit, or taking a nap. You know what I'm saying? That's what I do. You know what I'm saying? AKA Friday Night Messi MVP of Gelato. AKA Daniel Bedingfield. I gotta get some sticks. Because I have such incredible social anxiety. You know what I'm saying? AKA Joe Hookah, motherfucker. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? On Dykeman, bruh.
On Dykeman.
Even though they got the Bronx joint, but you got to go to the flagship, B. You know what I'm saying? It's like, you know what I mean? It's like the difference between shopping at the mall and shopping on Fifth Ave. You know what I'm saying? Got to do the classy versions. You know what I'm saying? AKA, you know what I mean? Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. I will surgically restrict your mandible so that you can stop sucking wild penis about what we're doing. Worry about sending in your next invoice, you worm. Candy, get the strap. You know, if you know it's for you, you coward. You know what I'm saying? AKA, I'll open your medicine cabinet. You know who the fuck it is, man. It's the Zen, man. Woo! Yeah. AKA, Rico Sabroso. AKA, baby, do put 2-5 niggas got garbage on the way. AKA, Nino Brown, shut the car down. You know what I'm saying? AKA, live from the front of Burger King on Burnside, it's the Street Must DVB doing all his greatest hits like, I want to be the one your TT is fucking. And Dope Sick Love, don't let me lean.
Don't let
you know
me
what I'm saying? Don't let me lean, dog. I'm on the train tracks on my full lane. It could be dangerous. You lose you will lose a legend, a freestyle legend. You know what I'm saying? AKA, we're talking a lot about the UK, you know, Top Boy and all that things in there.
Here's my food, bro.
Things in it. And I just want to say one thing real quickly, that the whole British invasion started over here with the last 2 rock stars left on the planet, the Bodega Boys, of which I am one. And you know what's coming next. So sing along at home. It's the plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont, asking for Netflix logins to watch Top Boy. You know what I'm saying? Executive produced by Drizzy. AKA, I met Mike Francis. I'm never gonna fail, dog.
Never.
AKA, chilling at the crib off edibles, waiting for KD and Kyrie to call while he's sitting in a Google Hangout. It's Barmelo's Anthony.
And you know what he's doing? He's shooting for what?
3 swish, because he turned the sliders up to 99 on 2K. Ooh. Damn, if you see me at Target higher than Shaq doing a dab, sitting on top of a motherfucking ostrich head, approach me like a fucking earth-sign mammal, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Because I might react erratically and you won't like that. You know what I'm saying? AKA, it's everybody's favorite, Benzo the Clown. I'm here to fuck up your kid's birthday party. I'm going to need the deposit up front and you can get it back. So I'm going to throw it over to Mr. Fun Fun while I go take a nap in the van.
Hey kids, you guys want to play that game? Heads up, eyes down. Just for kids. Parents gotta leave the room. No, it's a kid's birthday party. You're ruining the vibes, bro. Like, you're like 36. Like, you're not cool to be here. Like, come on, bro. It's for kids. I'm like Chuck E. Cheese. Like, it's where kids could be a kid. Like you're old. You already know what happens here. Like, come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, you're cock blocking.
What are you, a fucking Epstein?
What are you, a cop? Like, Jesus.
If you're a cop, you gotta tell me.
Like, come on. What are you in love with your kid? You've seen your kid before. Just like, let him out your sight for like a couple of minutes. He's not that cute. I mean, Jesus.
God, I mean, beauty's there, beholden.
You know, listen. Yeah, I ain't gonna. These is gonna be eyes of the hold, and guess who's gonna be holding your kids? Nah, I'm kidding. Legally, I can't touch the kids, but I can smell their hair.
God damn. Okay. I saw fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He thinks he's drinking activist. He's high right now off a Mystic I found in my garage and some expired children's Tylenol, dog. Great flavor. Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying? You know what's coming right now? When I change my voice like this a little bit and I put a little acento on my shit, and that means that I'm going to say, Hasan, tírame la fucking pita. Oye, ¿qué es lo que?
Uh-oh, here comes trouble.
Wow, llegó el ejército de FIFA, coño, tú estás en baja y yo caliente. Conmigo no, llega el flow que tú, yo sé que te pica, loco, cuando tú me ves con el flow Gucci Versace, todo hachi, te pica, demagogo. You know what I'm saying? Para loca con yema haciendo historieta, si tú no tienes millaje en la calle, loco, deja, suelta eso. Ponte para lo tuyo, manín. Ponte a jugar con tu computer y con tu vaina y déjala caer quieta, ¿oíste? Que tú no estás hecho para esto, mi hermano, ¿ok? Tú no jalas y no sueltas nada, Palomón. Shout out, como siempre, Hasan y Sai, coño, que pone la fucking nota. Y shout out a la bodega, las nenas de la bodega. Aquí está Daiana, como siempre. Vicky, quién sabe dónde estás. Ojalá que llegue sana. Shout out a mi presidente Pío, la secretaria de defensa, activo con el cañón. Avísame que lo suelto. Y shout out siempre, Cash Up en Showtime. You know what I'm saying? Estamos lindos. Me quité ya, porque tengo que ir a contar el cuarto. Hala.
Sounds good, bro.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Anyway, that was episode 171.
Libertad pa' Friki.
Oh yeah, freaky. Liberator him. Liberator is freaky. He has heart problems.
Cholesterol.
Yeah, you know, you gotta watch those numbers creep up.
Yeah. I told him. I was like, listen, man. I was like, we're getting up there. You gotta take care of your health more. You know what I'm saying?
Listen, you don't want to be the only homie on Lip. You can't even like turn up in a club on Lipitor.
Lipitor, nigga, you gotta watch yourself and shit. You gotta be like, yo, I can't drink that. It's gonna make my heart race and shit.
Also, you can't just pull it out and like niggas, y'all, we all going in.
Oh yeah.
We get lippy.
Oh, we get fucked up.
We get niggas.
We get lippy too tippy.
No shit. Just be in a club with mad low cholesterol, like.
Yo, why you mad fatigued?
Nigga lean in differently. I drink live. It's not embarrassing. Do the blood pressure.
Yo.
Put on the cuff.
Put on the cuff. Hey, pop the cuff now. Pop the cuff now. Pop the cuff now.
Pop. One finger this time. Put it on the vein. Not strong enough. Check the neck. Check the neck. Check the neck. Be still now. Be still.
Oh, okay.
I'm like, this Jamaican nursing school is the worst. Okay. All right. The fuck? What does daggering have to do with the defibrillator? They're like, the patient is dying. Get on top of that ladder. Now jump down with the paddles out. I'm like, Wheeler! Yo, episode 171. Yo, Showtime has not fired us. Decent Mero. We'll be back soon. You know what I'm saying? Podcast still popping.
You heard?
I will tell you about the merch, but we put it up yesterday and it sold out like 10 seconds. So sorry, y'all.
Yo.
Set that notification. I mean, listen.
You gotta do it, B.
The brand is BRND. You want to buy a vowel?
Brolin.
Oh, I spelled brand, didn't I? Yeah, fuck it.
But you know what I'm saying? That's what we doing now.
You don't get good shit, but you get the good shit.
You get the good shit all the time. Yo, one time, salute to the homie. Welcome home since. BTC mob. We out here. Gang. BX all day. You already know. So my niggas come home. Glad to see it. You love to see it. I'm saying out here winning. Episode 171.
That's right. And all my people coming home, but to HGTV, to beachfront property buyers, I would also say welcome to your new homes, and I hope that you made a wise choice and that you didn't buy the dumpy starter home that was not,
that needed a lot of work.
Yeah. You already know.
It wasn't worth it. Yeah.
It's the first show. The first house they show is not going to be.
It's not going to be it.
And it should be whack. They be like, I want a beach, and like, yo, this is 2 miles from the beach. This ain't the beach.
This ain't the fucking beach.
Okay.
If I gotta get in my car, I'm not beachfront.
It's my new song. This is not the beach. We out.